markets go down.
Bitch ass nigga. That boy JR. I forgot I'm live streaming. Hold up. Yo. Away from the instance. I just called this nigga. I ain't even give bro a heads up. I just told that nigga Jared I'm gonna call him. Hold up. My boy. I'm like 10 hours late.
Hey. I'm trying to enter a trade, man.
Hey, that nigga panicking already. Ain't even. Share your screen, bro. What you looking at? Come on, let's back test, nigga. Enter a trade. Let's back test. Nigga. A fucking lot test.
I'm proud of myself though. I ain't take shit yet though. I had it set up.
What setup you had? Share your screen, bro. Share your screen.
That little short sale it had on.
Nigga. On what? Hold up. I ain't even. I just got in. I literally just pulled up. I was outside with my family. What time frame? Let me see. I'm looking at your screen. You share your screen. Alright.
It ain't really too crazy. It just off. I mean, look, push down right here. Off the top in it.
Oh shit. Look.
Heard another one. Yeah.
Oh, my shit tweaking. My monitor tweaking. Alright, we go.
Okay. 30. Damn.
I can't even see nothing. Screen catcher.
I'm trying from.
I'm trying to. Boom, I'm gonna put Discord on this screen. I forget I got two monitors. So what can they see? Screen 2. Fuck
it. I put it into that motherfucker.
Let me see. Show me. Let me see. Alright, let me look.
It's just a cool little
5 minutes. Yeah. Let me see the woman. How the woman look?
Clear that high. Right at 8. Fight. Clear that high.
Hey, just at 8 o'clock, bro.
Yeah.
I'm sorry though. I'll go look.
Go ain't doing nothing.
So.
And no cap, but I had took 2 trades on Friday, bro.
Niggas be
both of them hit break even. Both of them hit break even though.
That's good though.
So see,
I'll clean my room.
I'm still 50.
My boy Lou, what's up? Yeah, I can't even see your account, bro. But I'm glad you got your shit. My boy Lou and this shit was good, my boy. But like a lot this week, bro. I don't know, man. 8 o'clock here though, so I mean, nigga, if you take a trade now, nigga's not mad at you. But like, it gotta be 8 plus. My boy said at 50K.
8 p.m. now, yeah, 8 p.m. now.
So if you take a trade now, I don't know. I be getting cooked Asia, so I just stay away from this shit, man. You feel me?
You gotta be easy. It's just going no.
Yeah, but today if
you gotta lower your risk, bro.
Yeah, Asia. If I'm ever gonna trade Asia, I can't take no home runs. Asia ain't no home run shit. Nah, that ain't no home run session. New York, my home run session.
I'll give a pass to go sometimes.
All right, talk to me. Hold on, no. Let's be real here, right?
They low.
No, if you're gonna trade Asia, since Asia really not your session either, bro. It's really not your session, bro. What's your most profitable session? Yeah. New York, right? I feel like Asia, bro. You should not be risky.
Cap. Low key, London.
All right.
I ain't gonna let the trades. It's minimal. I ain't take as many trades. I ain't taking many trades in London session, but every time I do though, it
hit every time. I ain't gonna hold. Every time I trade London though, if I catch I usually don't rush a London trade because it's like late anyway, so I'll be trying to get cooked. I usually don't get cooked during London. I won't even lie. You see my screen?
It'd be 50-50.
Look at my screen real quick, bro. Look at my screen. Hold up, bro. What you playing? That's an 18 plus adult only free game. What's that up top? Nigga playing with itself, bro. Yo. What's that, bro?
I'm not, but you know how them
Nah,
ads
that
be
nigga,
clicking on
that nigga be watching anime porn, bro.
the
So be watching that anime shit,
that's
bro.
the best.
What? Yeah, he wild. Like, that nigga. Look at my screen though. Look at my screen. Am I sharing my screen? You see it? Let me see it.
Yeah, you got to.
Alright, bro. Boom, boom. It's not. I don't think it's on spot gold, but yeah, we got the gap right here in the middle. But like on futures, it's a wick. Like it's a wick. Little 5 minute gap, bro. I probably won't see. I probably won't do nothing. No, I'm
That
chilling,
gold?
bro. Yeah.
That's NQ.
It's not. It's gold. It's gold. It's gold.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
So what do you want it to do? What's your point of interest right now for gold?
I want this shit to dump.
And where does it have to into what?
Oh, word, bro. Hold up. We going out. I mean, you look. Wait, would you count it as a gap right here? Look at this, bro. Look at this right here. You count it as a gap? Nah, right? Ain't no wick at the bottom of this blue candle.
Nah. I mean, it's an opening gap, so it can feel that.
Yeah, but truthfully say, I'm
You
probably
can feel that.
Yeah, I probably won't trade, but wick the wick. This a 15-minute gap. Right? Come in here and show me some type of like rejection. Like give me like a little 1 minute rejection. But then like even then, like I would
50%.
50%.
Oh, go ahead.
Nah, what you gonna say?
I said above that. Like
Above that.
looks, feel it. Like I feel it.
Come in is like how high though? Like up
Trading
here
View-
type shit. Yeah, cause on Trading View, if I go on a 15-minute on Trading View, this how I look on Trading View. Like this.
And that's why I say wait for it to reach all the way up there and clear that gap. Because this is the trade I wanted to happen on last on Friday.
Last week.
I took sales for it to clear them lows. It opened up my TP.
What time? Hold on. What time you
TP
traded that shit though?
It opened it.
Cause we talked until like maybe like 12. So you had to hit that shit during PM session.
I enter. It's a 15-minute gap on gold.
I see what you're talking about. Let me see. What you show me?
It's 3 p.m.
3 p.m. on?
3 p.m. 3 p.m. You're down right there.
Yeah, you got. Yeah, that shit definitely out.
Down right there.
That shit definitely out.
Yeah. That one.
Yeah, this one 3 p.m. right? Yeah.
No. It was this one. No. That's where I entered. Like at 2:30.
Oh, so the 12:15 candle, 12:15 candle.
Yeah.
That's. I'm like, we rejected it too. We rejected it. Like if you look on my shit.
My stop loss was that high that it took out, but I was at break even before it took it out. Okay, so I'm thankful that I hit break even or hit my stop loss.
So 30.
Your trader rule.
And on 30, what this you said the 5-minute gap. I mean, if you want to, you could probably. Nah, I don't like trading indices, bro. Don't age. It's coming back to that motherfucker though. Look, but going to look at that 4-hour. Look at the candle on the 4-hour. That shit looks stupid. If you go on the 4-hour, look at that. You reset it. Reset it. Nah, not on gold. Not on gold. Go on 30. Go on 30. Not gold. Nigga, go on 30. I'm talking about 30. Look at that candle, bro. It looks stupid.
It look like a little red candle, you feel me,
but like the way it look, I don't know, bro. It's like a hammer. But now, I mean, you could. I think we just came back into that shit. I think though, the 5-minute. Hey, rejecting that shit again though. Hey, go on the 5-minute. Go on the 5-minute. Go on the 5-minute. Hey, go look at that shit. Hey, that shit just rejected that shit though. Okay. What you thinking? I'll hop in that shit with you. Remember, I'm still in the combine. I'm trying to get out this shit.
Yeah, nah.
Low risk though.
You can be more.
For you. More aggressive. Yeah. You chilling. Me, I might. That shit left me a little bit.
It's valid. It's valid though because it has resistance too. It's
order filled
off this previous day. High. It's a resistance right there. I might take it with you, bro. And I think no cap, he could be that hourly gap down there. That's where I want to enter for buys. The hourly gap.
Let me see.
Yeah.
What hour? Let me see.
It's some ways down though. It's some ways down. Right there, you see it.
see your screen? Yeah.
You see it, right?
Yeah. So what
The screen is right there. You see it?
Hold up, wait. I forgot.
On your screen on top step.
I forgot. I'm showing. Oh, you can see on top step.
Yeah, I'm looking at your screen.
Oh, you can see the trade.
The hourly gap right there. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I had to hop in this one. This right here. Down here.
Down right there. Yeah.
Shit, I just
That's
need.
where I like what Inter provide.
Well, I need since I need the home run. Since I lost 300. I need like 1,800. Just I got my stop above the gap, so I ain't even worried. I mean, I instantly hopped in the scene profit though. That's always a good sign. Yo, bro, yeah, bro. You know how I know how I had them trades, yo. When I hop in that shit instantly be draw down. That shit be hurt my soul, cuz. Nah, yeah, I could be a little more aggressive than you, nigga. Like, cause I'm trying to get out there. You out to fund it. I'm trying to get you out again, which is easy, but I could risk more, but I don't wanna do OD. It's Asia. I'm low key breaking my shit. Low key just bullshit a little bit. I'm gonna see though.
Breaking what? What's you breaking?
Trading this shit a little bit, but I'm not mad.
What you breaking? Okay, bro, I got scared, bro. I thought I was in a trade.
Yeah, nah, don't hop in. No,
it's just a limit order.
Don't hop in it, bro.
It's a limit order. It's a limit order. Not for to move. Like, oh, hold on now.
Big mouth. I can't fuck with Shorty. Cause she got a big mouth. This my combines. I don't know. I think too when I
you still rejecting high. It's like
came into it. That shit might stop me up. My man, dude.
Oh, yo, TP.
My stop was at
That's fair enough.
Might add that shit came back to rejected. Might add more to that shit.
Say, don't do that yet. I'll say add more once it breaks some lows.
Yeah, shit, if I had more, shit gonna make my stop loss more expensive.
Yeah,
if I lose this one, I'm cool. That's why I was 200 on that shit. Like that too. If I'm a trade Asia, I'm not risking 1% trades. Like
that's why I say a low risk. Yeah, got a low risk.
It won't make sense.
Especially. Like, now it's pushing. Now it's going crazy.
Oh, for real? So that mean NQ.
Yeah, so you want to cut it short, cut that mother short.
I probably could. Yeah, let's see. Did it fill it?
Because broke 5-minute highs upside.
Oh, it's still filling it. And see, it rejected it. Damn, you just had a big push down out that bitch.
1 minute.
Order filled.
Look at crap, 1 minute ago. You added?
Dude, I ain't gonna lie. That dump was crazy.
I hit break even. Ain't gonna count. Hey.
Yeah. As soon as I don't want it. If it come out the gap, I don't want it though. It only was 270.
I'm talking about it's a 1 minute gap.
What, to the upside?
Yeah.
I do see that hoe. Say
it's going down.
It coming to rejected. I'm going. I probably. Nah. Okay. Let's see. It's gonna only trade though. This is crazy. Let's get it. We're gonna try to back test too, so we don't trade nothing. We don't need to be trading this shit. This shit ain't nice.
I just said got that motherfucker because if you see another trade, a better setup. You feel me? Take that one instead of that one.
Cut this shit. I'm only down 40. What you think? Cut that hoe?
It's up to you.
Let's see how the 5-minute close.
Because the way Nas looking, Nas.
I mean, that gap big as fuck on Nas. Compared to 30 though.
But I'll say on ES, ES, it cleared it. It ain't really break it.
With the gap?
Yeah, man. Nah, it's a high, 5-minute high.
Yeah, I might cut this.
But look, keep respecting that gap under.
I think my biggest thing now is cutting losses.
How much down?
60. I might just cut it. 60 ain't shit.
Yeah, dude. Hey, wait, get a little down there. What are you gonna do?
The 5 minute got respected though.
You
That's
got
like.
that. Okay, so just chill then.
Yeah,
Just chill then. Just chill.
What about twin? How the 15 can't look? Respect him. I can't fuck with Shorty. Cause I got a big mouth. Alright. You know, trading view respecting that whole too. I ain't gonna lose you. Alright, yo, since we gonna back test, what periods we back testing with, bro? You gotta do forex periods most likely.
I say.
Alright, what you think?
Well, why do you say that? Why do you say forex periods?
Cause why not? We know how.
Hey, I'll hit goddamn. Are you in profit? Okay.
$20. Nigga, bro. Hell no. I'll pocket out this bitch. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, so I was gonna say get because it's 50-50 for real, bro.
Yeah, yo, we talked about that. Yeah, we ain't doing that. Let me close this motherfucker. I'm gonna do a fake one. Do a little fake, little 1 or 3 on here.
And just see if you would have stayed in, if you would have made it.
Yeah, I don't even give a fuck. I was thinking and one that shit. 1 or 3 right here. Stop set. Stop that. This Alright, about the back test. Cause no, I say what's this called? That only cause like we know how the forex pairs is gonna move. I mean not cause the indices, I don't know. What's to see? And I don't say that too cause I don't trade forex pairs. If I back test using forex pairs, it's like I could see if my strategy works.
But you ain't gonna use them though.
But it's more so just to see. But cause like your USD moves just like gold. Like you could look at gold with your USD. Like I could like that.
Yeah.
So I mean I don't know. Like I'm not saying I'm gonna use forex pairs. I'm not saying I'm gonna use forex pairs, but let's see if my strategy is just as versatile as I want it to be. Hold up, Uncle called me. What's up, then?
Didi said just make sure you get the stuff for the taxes.
All right, I got you. All right, fuck.
What's going down though?
What? The dunk?
30.
Nigga laughing. Nigga told me to get out, man. I ain't need to be in that help. That's cool, bro. Nigga giggling, bro. Nigga giggling. Cause you know, like, damn, I should tell a nigga stay in that shit. You should tell a nigga stay in that motherfucker. Yo.
Low key.
Nah. It wasn't. You know what it was? It wasn't. It was nervous. It wasn't S+.
You wasn't confident.
Who? I was chilling though.
Yeah.
What?
Wait, nah. I want to say you. I don't know.
Nah, you trying to get advice? And truthfully, not. It wasn't an S+ setup. Remember, it was dropping. It was like a 5 minute, but it's cool. Like, I ain't heard about it. I'm not like, you see, I'm not like, oh my gosh, should I stay here? Nah, it's what it is, bro. Nigga, you cool, bro. Like, plus, I didn't mind the trade. This is why I closed it. Oh my, real combine, though. Combine trade is gonna be combine. I do want to pass this bitch though, but I want to pass this decent high bitch, nigga.
Tomorrow. Yeah.
Fucking.
He said, what pair should niggas back to us?
They got add a USD pair to like a some type of USD pair, like with forex.
So UJ then.
You love UJ, nigga. Alright,
fuck you say USD pair. That's probably the only really pair. That guy, that's just volatile for real. Because UJ is basically like the indices for real, but
nigga, why you hold up? You talking about 30? Why you ain't look at UJ? Look at this shit, nigga. 4 hour gap we in right now. See that motherfucker? See that shit? Damn. You feel me? Damn. You see that shit? Hey, yo, that shit clean, cuz.
15-minute gap.
Hey,
15-minute gaps finna form? 15. If this 15-minute gap form like this, I'm gonna hop into 15.
Yo, hey, that's a good pick. Hey, that's a good trade. That's a good trade right there. See?
15-minute gap? Wait, do Tufta got UJ?
I think it's the opposite, bro.
They should, right?
Oh
yeah.
It's like that shit going down. Like usually going down. That shit going up. Let me go talk to how it look. How you usually look right now? Let me go to 5 minutes on UJ. 5 minutes going up on this shit. Yeah, see, on this shit is going down. It's the opposite. I low key could cheat the system if you think about it.
But do look clean. Do look clean though. Do look clean. If it's 5 minute gap on do look clean. Is there a 4 hour gap? Like how is the 4 hour gap on?
Well, this one down here. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Yo,
right there,
yo, they
right
literally
there,
the opposites. Yo, that's cheating, bro.
And it's going on with the trend too, like an uptrend right now. On the 15 minute, is there forming a 15-minute gap?
You know what it is.
It's 15 toes like this. Might hop in there, son. Ain't gonna tell. Might hop in it. And it cleared some eyes.
Oh, look at the wow.
Okay.
That shit made it right here. Typed it one time, twice, open it, close right above it.
Comparing higher lows. You feel me?
It might be A+ then. Yeah, this YM trade was gonna be dookie anyway, nigga. Truthfully, I was gonna cut it anyway. I don't like trading indices during Asia. The only thing I'll trade Asia comfortably is gold, bro. Truthfully.
So you gotta just that thing, follow the rules. Follow yours instead of taking a trade. You play it out cool, but you still ain't follow your rules.
It's like one of the things getting reward for bad behavior, man.
Yeah.
So friend, your UJ in 2 gaps, bro. Go back to UJ. That shit in 2 gaps. If you look at my screen, we in the 4 hour, the bearish one and this bullish one, it just bounced off of, bro. This is small though. Not the 4 hour.
The 4 hour?
That's that green one. Look at that gap.
I see it. Yeah, I
tapped it.
But we in a downtrend.
He is in a downtrend. He is in a downtrend. You see, he is in a downtrend. I think that's the one thing I gotta get better at. Cause like sometimes seeing gaps like these, and I say you respect it, even though the trend be the opposite of what it is. So say like the 4 hour gap, I'm looking at the bullish. I'll be the one nigga to take the bullish one over the bearish one. That happened to me one time on US 30.
Now me too though.
You feel me? Yo. Like I'll be the type of nigga to take the bullish one, cause the bullish one get respected, right? Or and then like my TP be like right above where the 50% of the bearish one is. That happened to me 31 times. My TP like right above the 50% of the bearish gap, and then that shit just cooked me, bro. I was like, damn, I should have just followed the trend.
It can look like it's getting respected, but that's how they trick you.
You feel me?
Trap buyers and sellers.
That's that fake out. That's that fake out. Straight cooking niggas. Nah, Joe, I think I am gonna make I think I'm making another community. Probably this week, I think I am. Just to, I don't know. Because, like, remember before I deleted me, you had that talk. I was like, I'm going to delete that shit. My reason for deleting that shit was, like, since I deleted my Discord, I literally got better. Don't worry, I still have my little dumb moments, but, like, yo, I genuinely feel like it made me focus more. And it made niggas around us focus more. Niggas start getting payouts. Couple niggas hit me up, yo. Niggas been locked in since you delete. I'm like, damn. All right. Like, I'm like that one nigga, yo. Nigga named Hunter. Nigga got 25 full racks. Yo, the nigga said he bought 5. So, but you gotta think about it, Jer. What he did was crazy. Cause Top Step only give you 50%. You feel? I don't know if you did the math. This nigga made 56K, bro, through 5 accounts. So he made like 11K on each account, bro. That nigga, he said, bro, I was using 3 Michaels, catching $1,000 wins. Like that nigga. Look, I'm gonna tell you what he said. That nigga said, bro. He said I needed so much. Those were my last accounts I could afford, nigga. He put that was his last one. He had to make it, nigga.
That's wow. That's
discipline.
Hey, that's a story right there, bro. That's a story.
That nigga said he gave a couple thousand to us. He sent me. I sent it to you. He sent me the bank account. I thought he was going cat. Nah, that nigga had the proof and everything. I'm like, damn. And if you look up top, look, that nigga had $0 and shit. Got 10 cents. I had $23,000.
That's all he had. That's crazy, dog. That money that's crazy. People, and some people fold under pressure like that.
You feel me?
You give them they last and they fold. He's strong under pressure.
I'm showing y'all, bro. I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna show y'all niggas. So my boy Hunter, man, he just made 23,000 off the trade and shit. 23K. That shit crazy, bro. 23 bands. Yo, what you doing now? You get 23 bands off trade.
What I'm gonna do with it?
Yeah, what you doing with that
Hey,
shit
I'm gonna
first,
let
man?
them put.
I think, no cap. So you quit?
I ain't quitting. Nah, I ain't quitting.
You not quitting your
I'm
job?
gonna at least put 24K.
Nah, I ain't quitting either. I ain't
Not
either.
yet.
Not yet, right now. Yeah, I feel like not even cause like
Do
not
a couple
even.
more times.
Yeah, you feel me? I think I'll quit my job, bro, when I'm like, I don't even know.
I do it again. You
feel me? Do it again. Cause yeah, if I could, cause that shit could be a one-time thing. Like, what if I get that? You feel me? Yeah, it's one thing you gotta prove to yourself. Like, yeah, you did it once. You do it twice.
Yeah.
Do it twice. I do it 3 times. Cause you gotta think about it. Once you make money once, you gotta keep doing it, nigga. Like, you gotta keep doing it.
Consistency. Consistency.
So it's like, yeah, you did that shit once, but let me see you do 3 more times. Then go Kings at 50.
Yeah, 3 times. 3 times is the charm.
Cause the first time I make that shit,
3 times. Okay.
Cause the first time I do that shit, I'm probably not gonna touch that shit. I know me, bro. Whenever I start touching large, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. Most I'll probably use money to buy more accounts or put in a live account.
Yeah.
Or or I'ma just Knowing me, I still got the 500s. So what the fuck am I even buying anything else for right now? If I made the 5,
yeah. Combines right now?
No. I'm talking about him because he did this on 500, 5 XFAs.
Yeah.
So if you got 5, what the fuck you need to buy more for right now? You did it once. All he did was take out 50%. So he still had 5K. Yeah, he can do that too. Well, 23K though? How much would you take out?
Nah, I like 10. I'm gonna go crazy.
I think I'll start off small, bro. If I got 20 bands, I'll take out 3. 25K, 23K. I'll take out 3K, and see if I can build that 3K. Cause I could risk. If you think about 3, how we go, nigga. 3, you got 3 bands. You risking 5, and we do how me and you did 500 each trade. Come on, bro. 4,500 one day. Bro, come on. If you S plus setups, bro, you could make 10K that same week, bro. Damn it. I might get stressed.
I say 10 because I'm only risking 10%. I got 10 trades. Risking that band.
Listen to band each trade. That's how I got 100 each trade. So you 1 to 3. So you need 3 racks each trade. I ain't mad at that though. Hey, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that, bro. I'm not mad at that shit, bro.
I'll say the other 10. And then, see, I hit me 24. I'll keep 24 for myself. And say 10 to 10. 10 to 10. Up 10. Reinvest 10. Keep closing. You gotta reward yourself.
Gotta reward yourself. Where OG at, bro? Might call that nigga.
Make sure it's real. Make sure it's real.
Oh, God, gotta make sure it's real.
Been online. I'm gonna have to go to the bank too, take it out.
You about to take out your cash? That's like they start flexing on that. How much you taking out though? How much you taking out there?
All of it.
Oh, 23 bins? Nah, he wildin'. Nah, I would just
and then put it right back.
Put it right back. Hey, you might have to. I'm not mad at that, nigga. I'm about to add that nigga to our shit, see if he gonna join. And that nigga OG voice in a minute.
Right.
How the fuck you add niggas again, bro?
If this DJ trade come out like this, I'm for sure taking it.
You getting in that shit for sure? Sure.
Oh, taking it. It has to go up to this.
Nigga said it has.
Team account though.
Bro, how you add niggas to the call again, bro? I be forgetting how you do that, bro.
You're gonna have to add people to the
Nah, I was where I did this shit before. It's like right here. Wait. I promise you, I did that shit one time.
Or options.
Nah.
I see it. Add friends, You
did it? Call that nigga, bro.
Yeah.
till you pick up, bro. That nigga, I texted him, he hit me back though. But yeah, yo, the trading shit real, bro. Those niggas are making 1,000 off this shit, bro. This shit real, bro. Shit been real, but I don't know. Seeing someone that was in seeing someone that actually doing it though, like that is crazy.
Man, I'm at solo in here too. I've been talking to solo today.
Yeah, I saw somebody call yo, that YM shit playing out. You know that, right?
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
That shit playing out, dude.
I'm sure to see it. I've been peeking it.
Niggas ain't been peeping it. Hey, that shit dumb.
It's a little gap right there. You feel me?
Nah, I don't want that shit, nigga. I want that top of that 5 minute. What you talking about? You added them niggas? Or you gotta make a whole new chat to do that shit? Let me see.
Chat.
I'll add them niggas. Boom.
Oh, see. Yeah.
How'd you did it?
Oh, there.
Oh, you made one? This one right here. You still hit, nigga? You hit? Oh, I can't even hit that nigga. Yo. Why can't I hit y'all niggas? Yo, you hear me? Boy, Solo. How you been, Brody?
I'm talking a bit. Yeah, I've been chilling. You?
Chilling, gang. Oh, there you go.
There it go. Yo.
What's up?
Chilling, nigga. Checking up on you.
Oh.
You been trading, my boy? You been cooling?
Nah, I've still been paper trading.
Oh, my boy super loud down, nigga. How that shit going though? Yeah, some other respect,
What?
Getting my ass whooped.
Yeah, ass whoop. What you mean?
I'm still. Shit hard.
Nah, she is scream, bro. We got.
I'm guessing before I go to work. What time you go to work? At 2.
Oh, I'll be here before 2.
Yeah.
Especially if I'm going home now and need some sleep. Because if I clock in at 2, I'm clocking at 12. Like today. I'm at 12. So I gotta go home and get some sleep, and then I'll be good. I'll clock in at 2 o'clock in the morning.
My
It's all depends on how I give in the morning. That's what every time I clock out. That's what that shit is.
So it's 10 hours every time?
Still been trading too,
so I clock in at 3, then I gotta clock in at 1.
I just did some dumb shit recently. I had to fund it.
Yeah, unless we was to meet halfway or somewhere, or
like
you know what I mean? So
won't turn it
I'm trying to see. I mean, go home
I had XFA recently. I don't know. I had put that shit in drawdown, got out of it. Then like I had some real life shit going on, bro. I got in a car accident. That shit threw my emotions off, bro. I just started rushing. I was like, nah, I need some money. I didn't even need no money. Like I was good, but I just started rushing, bro. So now I'm back in the compound. I'm trying not to rush it. But what strategy you doing now, bro? Same strat before or something different?
I'm doing the same strategies.
What's the name? 25 minutes from there.
It's the same strat, but I keep trying to tweak it up to make it better a little bit.
So what you feel like you missing out then on it?
You said what?
What you feel like messing like with like what's keeping you? I guess you said you getting cooked. All right, hold on. What's your highest time frame? That's my biggest question.
1 hour.
Why use the 4 hour?
Cause bro, my trades don't be even 30 minutes in. Like my trades be 30 minutes less. Like if I get out, I get out. You know, it's like if I get out, I get out quick. If I win, it's gonna take at least 30 minutes.
Oh yeah, it's Solo a scalper now. He only on my high time.
But he used the hour though. Like so what you use the hour for? So what's your entry then? What time frame your entries then for? Taking on.
It was 15 minutes. Then I started doing 1 minute and 5 minutes.
So now you know scalping.
Switched it up because I noticed my strategy is not working.
So what you feel like? What do you feel like your best?
I'm gonna tell you what I do.
Let me see. Go through. Let me see. Let's watch my boy.
All right, let's go. So I find the sweep. Sometimes it's farther than it is, but I find my sweep. It's like this. Sometimes I find my sweep. Okay, boom, I found my sweep. Then sometimes I try to find my sweep low. Right now, there's really nothing. Just
Yeah.
down here. I guess this is external liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
And then I go up here first, and then I mark at least two fair. If I can't even speak. If I could find two fair value gaps, I'd do it. So you got one right here, and one right here, and this is only on the boom. Then I go to the 1 minute to see if it's actually one right here. So it is.
That's the hour.
Go to
Nigga.
30-minute. Oh yeah, 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Then I see it's another one. Okay, boom. This is valid. This is a valid fair value gap.
Yeah.
But usually, hold up, I missed a step. I ain't gonna lie. Try to find fair value gaps on the bottom side. At least two of them if I can.
Nah, those invalid though, nigga. When those being valid, due to just like to the left, like price already dumped within them shits, or pumped within them shits. Like the one you just marked up, there, look at that green one. Look at that green one. Like go if you go go back to 30 minutes. Wait, go back to 30 minutes. If you're gonna use it, it's one. Is it one under? No, it's not. Never mind. Damn. So what's the reason for that gap though?
This gap.
Yeah.
Not even a gap for real.
That's what I'm saying.
It's already been touched.
So yeah. So what's the reason for it though? Are you trying to just find like levels of entrance, like in levels of interest? What the fuck? Like what's the reason for that? So
this fair value gap is the low fair value gaps is for because it's like a fair value gap's like a magnet, I guess. So it's going to come back down here.
So if you're gonna do that one, it's one on the 15-minute right there. Where that blue line is at the bottom. Go right there to the left.
Yeah, it's one down here, but it's like
you want one closer. That's the closest one. 15-minute line with it in the 30-minute. That's the closest one you got. In an hour. See, that's yeah. Oh, that hour. Oh, it's an hour right there too. Like, so you just looking for areas of more interest. So would that be where your take profit would be at, or like your stop? Like what's the plan? Because you looked at we marked up the sell side, the sell for right gaps.
Yeah.
Okay.
So most of the time I'm not buying up here. I'm selling up here. I'm selling up here. Buying down here. So,
makes sense.
Yeah. So this. So then. I try to find to see. Okay, I go back to the 15-minute and see what it's really doing for real.
Well, time right now doing shit. Shit weak right now. I was looking at that shit myself earlier.
Right now.
Yeah.
But the 1 minute be telling me a lot of stuff right here. So honestly, right here, I see a fair value gap right here.
On gold. Yeah. I'm with you.
Right here. So I would do this.
Which one? The 1 minute, right?
Yeah, I'm on a 1 minute.
So that shit just respected the 1 minute on futures. Damn.
Yeah, I'm looking at it too. It cleared liquidity on the 15-minute.
He's talking.
He talking now. Yeah.
Okay. He back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jared, what you had said?
I had said it cleared liquidity on the 15-minute. And then create a 1 minute fair value gap for this perspective. I want to say, look, it cleared that first 15-minute candle high.
I sound like it cleared. Yeah.
And drag that across. You can see all them wicks, like it ain't never closed above it.
So if you look on my on spot, it made a 1 minute gap too on the spot gold. Yeah, it did.
Yeah, spot is created that 1 minute gap.
And it's a double top. I say right here, boom, boom.
Yeah.
But I needed to hit my sell limit. I gotta start being more patient with my shit.
That's you too.
Yeah,
that's everybody.
That's everybody, right? It ain't just you, my boy. It ain't just you. I just tell Jared that.
I'll be trying to rush setups and shit.
Yeah, that shit cook you. Every time I rush anything in trade, I got cooked, bro. That shit get fried. So you ain't buy no combines recently? You just been straight paper trading?
Yeah, I still got the cause I'm paying $80 for this this monthly subscription for Trader Vade and trading view.
The fuck? For what? $80 is crazy. For what?
Well, it's about 70. $12 is for the trading view for the lifetime.
Oh, the lifetime data. Or the data. Okay.
Yeah. Lifetime data, and then TraderVate. I'm doing it so I can have every.
Like pair.
I
That what
forgot
it
what it
is?
gives. No, it gives you
I got you.
It gives you all the perks basically. You
Everything.
get all the perks.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically.
I'm paying for this. I don't know how much I'm paying for. I don't get the lifetime data for like the futures. I ain't pay for that shit.
I like $20. So that's when I was paying for like the essentials. Like $20.
Personally, I'm like, nah, fuck them shits.
I just got into Bitcoin futures.
Yo, I still
I
be
didn't even know
burping,
they
nigga.
had
Excuse you, nigga.
Damn.
Nah, you good, bro. Who just
And nigga can't burp. It's crazy.
Nah, you good, gang.
That's another time, man. That's that bitch phone.
See, like right here,
I'm
I
about to add
probably
that.
get in
I'm
right
about to
here.
add that nigga BSM to this shit too. Hold up. I might just.
Bro, you gotta make like a friends Discord or something,
We're
like a
about to.
private Discord.
This about shit, bro. You about to do this shit right now. I ain't gonna
This
lie.
could be it right here.
Oh,
Yeah,
real
this could be it
niggas.
right here.
Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah.
Hello, G's. Right, that nigga. Let me see, man. Right, that nigga.
See, bro, I missed us.
I ain't gonna lie, my info on this 30 trade.
Oh, BSM right there. Yo, BSM.
Yo,
Yeah, so in them
Hey, yo, that nigga BSM got that payout. Hey, yo, clap for that nigga. Hey, yo, he got that
yeah,
payout.
yeah, hell yeah, we made that shit. Yo, that's crazy because I was on the last day. I was about to get my second payout. I had a ban and I blew that shit. I was so mad, yo.
Damn, bro. Sorry, bro.
You got one though.
You got one though. What's on me?
Yeah,
You got one.
He still got
yeah,
funded too,
shit.
right? Some shit like that, right? You told me.
Yeah, I got three. I got three XFAs.
Yeah, see that nigga up, man.
That
Yeah, I
ain't
got
go
3 XFAs.
crazy.
I'm working on a combine right now. I'm trying to pass because I had 4, but I blew one on Friday. I remember I told you I blew that shit on Friday. So I'm trying to pass another one for real right now. I just bought another combine. I took a trade on that shit. I'm down 500. So tomorrow,
Yo, go dump. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you. Yo, go dump. Hey, Jared, look at 32. That's your fault. I got out that shit. It's
But like, Creighton, another 15-minute gap, bro. I was gonna hop in there, but
shit.
another 5
Oh, you
minutes.
talking about yes 30, but go that dough shit look tough. If you some what page you been trade, nigga?
I've been sticking to the NQ. I'm not gonna lie, I don't trade nothing else.
I just
stick to that NQ.
That's good though. I don't even train gold.
And I only trade, and I only like all my when I got that payout, every trade I took was in that 950 to 1010 macro. Like every single trade on that account for that payout, I literally waited every day for 950, took my trade and got the fuck off the charts. Like that's really what's been working for me for real.
It's tough, bro. That's discipline. Then yeah, they waited for that shit. You just said fuck it. I ain't going.
Yeah, I was being patient. Like I was being patient, make sure I seen everything. And now it's like I'm really trying to just work on my risk my risk to reward. I really didn't pay that shit no mind before, but now like I really pay attention to that risk to reward shit. Like I try to hold my trades, especially if I'm on the XFA, the combine. I'm just trying to pass that shit. Like, I really don't give a fuck.
You don't give a fuck on them
And the
shit.
XFA, yeah, the XFA, I'm trying to hold my trade. Like if you catch a trade in that 950 to 1010 macro, that could be the bottom of the top of the day. You feel me? You can hold that bitch all day in the XFA. And
too.
yeah, just run that shit
And
up.
break even at a good like when it hit a certain low or some shit like that, bro. I ain't gonna lie,
Right. You
bro.
could break even because you could hit a 1 to 10 risk reward. You feel me? If you hit a 1 to 10 and you keep your risk the same, you feel me? That means you got 10 trades to lose before you could lose all that profit that you made in one trade. So you could have a 50% win rate and be good. You feel me?
Dang, hold up, bro. So how much? Hold up, an XFA. How much you was risking each trade? You didn't have a set risk reward, or you was just like
Nah, in the XFA, I was risking like three to 400 a trade them.
And you trying to make how
3 to
much
400.
each time? What's the risk reward?
I was trying to make like a band. I was trying to make like a band for real.
So you
But
wasn't go.
the first trade that I took on the XFA, I made 2200. So that's just set me up right there. You feel me? That
Yeah.
first trade on the XFA, like once you hit, like I feel like you gotta really like it's hard like going into drawdown as soon as you get the
Oh, on
XFA.
my
You feel
mother,
me?
that
Like you
shit, that
gotta
shit throw you off, bro. That shit.
yeah. You gotta make sure you really patient for that first trade. You feel me?
Don't.
So you could get right, and then
Cause
you'll be more comfortable.
cause after that you got more room to play with. That's what it is, bro. It's
Yep.
like you're not gonna think. You ain't gonna think too much, bro.
Yep. Like I said, when I started doing that shit, just sticking to my just that 950 to 1010 macro, and that's how I blew that shit. I was trading. I got greedy and I was trading at fucking 11 o'clock and shit and blew that shit. You feel me? Like
Yeah.
yeah. So now it's like I'm just trying to. Now that I got 3 XFAs, I'm gonna lower my risk. You feel me? Probably do 2 to 3 micros at the
Oh,
most. I mean,
yo, hold up,
and then
hold
just
up.
yeah.
Yo, solo jail. Look at that.
Now
We
go.
we called that shit. That shit start leaving niggas. Yo, JR solo.
Bro,
With gold.
it would have
Yeah.
like 222, bro. I marked
That
it out like
shit left
130.
niggas. That shit left niggas.
Where the target for gold though? I feel like gold could keep dumping for real.
Yeah, for
I
me.
feel like go gonna go down to that woman to get that daily fair value you got, bro. That's
You
why I'm
see,
making it go down.
I ain't know. It didn't like on the 1 minute it gave me my entry. It gave me 2. The second one just appeared though. Like it just appeared. I wasn't. I was like, nah.
That first one would have been lovely
That
though.
first one
That
was
first one,
clean,
that shit, yeah.
but yeah, I
And
ain't
that
lie.
second one would have been
But
information.
gold look mad bullish though. It's crazy. Selling gold is like I
Right,
don't
Pete,
know.
but you a Bob here though? What we was that? I mean,
I wouldn't do shit up here. Honestly, I
yeah,
would wait. I would
yeah,
wait for either that bitch to drop into that like JR was saying that fair
mm-hmm.
value gap, the daily, and then buy it. You feel me?
Yeah, hell
But
yeah.
I wouldn't.
Nah, the
I wouldn't
sales
touch
Yeah,
though.
gold
definitely
right
for
now.
long
Yeah,
term.
yeah, but
I don't
sales
know.
right now,
Do
nah, the
that.
sales,
Just
the
do
sales we
them.
seen would have been clean, at least from the first one, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
uh,
I didn't get
but
hit. I
Yeah,
didn't get
and
I ain't get anything.
hit
I,
in
I,
the
I,
low
I was
ball.
with y'all. I ain't get shit either. I'm just watching. But nah, I mean, so it's only
Hey,
your strat. We really all got the same strat with me, you, and Jared. BSM, you trade more like retracements. Well, BSM, you kind of trade the same thing, right, bro? Like,
yeah, I
he
trade.
really trade the time. He trade times.
Yeah, I
yeah,
trade time and like liquidity sweeps and like now I've really been going like all right, so 950 to 1010. I
mm-hmm.
look for the sweep and then probably like a 1 minute or 5 minute inverse fair value gap.
Yo,
With gap being created, us drop into the gap and then I take my trade. You feel me?
okay,
Like so I gotta find some it gotta be liquidity sweep, inverse fair value gap, break a block, whatever.
mm-hmm.
Um at a specific time. You feel me?
Yeah.
I feel like that's what works best.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah,
Time and
nah, it's
money.
good. Time and price is everything, yo. Like that, like you said, that 9:45, that 10:10 Mac. Like yo, them times matter. Cause I ain't gonna lie. I
Yeah.
know when I got cooked, most of my like for a while, I would trade 8 a.m.
Uh-huh.
gold. I would trade 8 a.m. gold. I was getting fried, bro. Like for like I was doing good at first, then I just started getting cooked. I stopped trading that shit, bro. That's when I got funded again, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like
Yup.
yeah, bro. And at
Yup.
9:45 too. Remember I started trading 9:45 again. I started doing better. Asia though, I don't be trading
Yeah.
this shit. This shit I don't be trading. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like I don't, bro. That's how I had put some Jordan on my XFA because of this shit.
That's that
Yeah.
shit. But
Mm-hmm.
if I'm in the XFA, I'm not touching Asia like
Hell
at
yeah.
all. I'm not touching Asia in my
Yeah,
XFA.
nigga. Fuck
For real.
no. Alright, alright, shit, bro. I don't know,
Yeah, y'all
y'all.
seen the new Top Step shit, the dashboard?
Bro, share your screen, bro. I ain't got that shit, bro. You said that, bro. I ain't got that shit, man. You on your phone, probably. Can you do that?
Nah, I'm on my computer.
Oh, you
Let
is?
me see that. Yeah.
I'm thinking yo, I was in a car or something first one there.
You said what?
I thought this was in the car or something. I
That
don't like
nigga.
it when you first.
Cause I don't got my mic. I don't got my mic on this. I'm using my laptop mic. So that shit.
Gotta make it. Somebody said it was good,
Y'all,
bro.
can
What's
y'all
my
see my
trillionaire?
screen?
What I'm gonna see.
Yeah.
I see it
Yeah.
now.
So
Yeah.
this the
Oh,
shit.
you can see it.
This
The
the
fuck?
XFA that I blew.
That shit look
This the shit I blew.
different.
These are 3 I passed for real. Yeah, it looked different. Like I ain't
It looked
activated
like
accounts
key
yet,
look
but
like every other
these are 3
correct
I
shit.
passed. So if you want to activate it, you just go here, you activate that bitch. You feel me? But as soon as you take a trade, like if I take a trade right now, it's gonna go up on like immediately. You feel me? Like it's not like you gotta wait for the whole day to go by before they update your shit. You feel me? As soon as you take a trade, it update. Accounts on here, payouts. You got a section for payouts once you eligible. You got achievements. These are 3. Like every account I bought on the new shit, I passed that shit. Like I passed every combine. So I got 3 certificate. These my 3 XFAs right here. Oh, I got one. I got one XFA on the old dashboard because this one I just blew on Friday. I just blew this XFA Friday. You feel me? So I gotta activate the remaining 2, and then I got one more. But it's not really nothing really.
Trying to
The
lock in on Discord.
only plus to it is you can activate the XFA immediately for real. And then your payouts, when you request a payout, you can see like, the status of it and shit like that. But other than that,
Like when it's
and then they
coming.
yeah, when it's coming, when they sent it and all that, they take it out your account immediately. You know how before you had to wait like a day or 2 before they take the funds out the account, but now you take that shit out immediately. But it's not really nothing, too crazy. It's just, you know, yeah, that's it
That's
for
it.
real.
I ain't shit. That's tough though.
Yeah.
Wait, how much you done made so far?
You said what?
How much you done made so far?
On what? The
Just together, like how much payout have you took out so far?
I just got my first payout like a week and a half ago. 1,800.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Yeah, I just got my first payout. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm saying that's tough, bro.
They got a whole bill
I'm just
paid.
so mad. I literally was
Full
about
rent.
to get the second payout. I had that shit locked in, bro. Like I had the second payout locked in. My dumb ass, I wanted more.
That's how it
Like
be. That's
I
how it
was trying
be,
to get
bro.
bands. Like I was on the 5th day. I was a band up on the 5th day. Blew that shit crazy, but it's all good. I
All
got 3
good.
now. Know what to do. How y'all niggas doing though?
Same old. I just had an XFA. I think I told you. Do that shit just because I feel like I had my real life shit going on and just like I was being greedy, bro. So now I'm in a
Oh
combo.
yeah, with the car and all that.
Yeah, bro. So everything good. Other than that, now I'm on the combines. I'm past these shits in like 2 days, 3 days. Get that shit out the way. Cause bro, when I had my XFA, bro, I literally only took S plus setups and I was good. Right now I took a couple trades, but I'm probably gonna chill. I don't want to trade no more. I'm probably just gonna look at the charts, mark shit up, bro. See how shit play out. But I've been cool. Other than that, mentally I've been chilling, bro. I can't complain. Truthfully, man. Just waiting for just
Oh
waiting
yeah,
my
nah,
turn now,
I
nigga.
need to
Real
start
talk.
just at
You
this
been
now
putting
we
in
just at the point where niggas just need to start being consistent. Start pulling money out these markets
You feel me?
consistently.
That's all it is now,
Once you
nigga.
get an XFA, I feel like nigga, you gotta have because the worst thing is starting over. You feel me? Like
Yo, it
you
is
blowing the
though,
XFA,
bro.
you gotta start over and shit. Like you gotta really build. That's why I try to like. I've been working on combines. I ain't like I'll pass a
Yo,
combine.
yo, I
I'm
was thinking
activate
that,
that shit. I
bro. I was thinking not
get
to cut
another
you
one. You
off.
feel me?
Yo, cause it's
Yeah.
like it don't like put that stress on you. Like I got the XFA now. Let's just get some money in this bitch. If you do another combine, you're like, all right, fuck it.
Exactly.
I'ma chill. You only got to activate the new once you pass. You can just
Right.
chill. Like, that's nah.
Right. Right.
You saying everything I
And
said
then
I was gonna do.
once you got 2, 3, because you think about it, like all the times you pass XFAs, you pass it, you blow it, then you gotta wait to pass it,
Mm-hmm.
and you feel me, you might blow it again. But if you just build, just keep, past like three, and then be like, all right, let me activate one. You feel me? You're not gonna
Uh-huh.
feel too much pressure because you got two in the wing. You feel me? Like you got two waiting for you, even if you blow this one. But
Yeah.
I mean, you still gonna try to be. You could try to use that one to get a payout and then activate the other two type shit. Like that's what I'm. That's my plan. But like honestly, I'm gonna copy trade two, and then I'm gonna trade one
By
separately.
yourself? Okay.
I'm still yeah, yeah, but I'm trying to get five. You feel me? So that's why I'm working
Word.
on one right now. I'm trying
So
to get five,
I'm gonna show
and
y'all,
then just
bro. It was a nigga that was in our Discord, bro. His name was Hunter. This nigga just got 23K off that shit. He had 5 XFAs, bro. Look on my screen, bro.
damn.
23. He just withdrew 24 bands. He said he gave his parents like a band, bro. Look, bro. Look at my screen. He got
Damn.
23K, bro. Or
Mm.
five, or five. That nigga said he made like 56K, bro, in total. Y'all know Top you only get 50%, so he had to make 50K,
Right,
bro.
right.
I was like, damn, nigga, fuck you. He was like, bro, I was just disciplined. He's like, bro, this is my last money I had to activate these shits. I was like, damn, bro.
But I'm not gonna lie. When I got that payout, nigga, I was down bad too. Cause I don't got a job too. Like I
Mm-hmm.
literally had like 300-400 in my account, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Before I got that payout.
See me, I'm low key down right now, but I got a job, so I can stretch it a little bit, bro. But right now, these combines gotta work out though, cause I ain't trying. I said I'm trying to limit my money I'm spending on trading, bro. That's really been my biggest thing, bro. I hate spending money on trading, especially when I like you said BSM. It's like starting over. It's like, bro, I had an exit fade. Why am I still spending money on trading now, bro? I should be done.
Right.
Unless it's like money from trading. That's how I be feeling, bro. I be like, nah, bro. I be getting mad.
Right. You gotta diversify your accounts. You gotta
Definitely
have
too.
more accounts because this
Mhm.
with this prop firm shit, it's like at the end of the day, it's really how much are you spending and how much are you getting. You feel
Mhm.
me? Like you can't really like be too hard on yourself if you blow an account, but you are going to be if you don't have another one. You feel me? Like a backup,
Yeah.
because that stress of starting over is like it's crazy. You feel me? So it's like niggas just gotta. I feel like if you gotta at least you should have at least two XFAs. You feel me? And activate one, try to get a payout from that one, and boom. If you blow it, get buy a combine instead of paying that 150. Buy a combine, try to activate that shit, and yeah, that's a plan. But eventually, you want to get your trading to a point where you confident in yourself, you confident in your setup, where once you show yourself, you can consistently get a payout. Copy trade all them shits. You feel me? That's the whole
Mhm.
point. You copy trade that whole shit. Like, look, yo made 25 bands. Like, this shit is real.
This shit is
You feel me?
real. You feel me? Yeah, bro.
Like that, like it could any month your life could change. If you just
Mhm.
go on like a 1 month,
Streak, yeah,
winning
like
streak,
when the streak being
all it need,
disciplined, yeah, is all you need, bro.
right?
That's all you need.
Any
That's full
month,
week.
your whole life could change, bro. Because once you got that 25 bands in the account, you chilling. Because you could buy more accounts, you could get more prop firms, you could get live
Mhm.
account, whatever,
And
whatever.
or two, like you
You-
said, he still got the five fundeds, bro. So he could chill for a
Right,
little bit. He could cool
right,
for a little bit. He only gotta rush this shit
right,
now. He changed his like
right,
24K is life changing money after, like if you could keep doing it. Like it's not life changing money, but
right.
it's the fact that you made it without being any type of hard labor. So I was like, ah
And
shit.
it's not just that, because for you to take out 25K, that means like you said, he had 10K in each
Each
account.
account.
So if he take out five, he still got five left in there. All he gotta do is make $200 for another 5
You
days
feel
and
me?
get another 20. You feel me?
Like
Get another payout.
he don't even gotta rush it. Like he set himself up good, bro. I'm proud of that nigga,
Mhm.
bro. That shit
You
tough,
lower
man.
your risk. You feel me? You lower your risk, you good.
So I'm trying to lock in talking with the Discord. Might make another one soon. I be forgetting that shit was fun as shit. When niggas was getting cooked, bro, that shit was not fun, bro. That shit not. Cause yo, we was there chilling together, but nigga, we always losing, but
Niggas was
Oh,
getting cooked, bro.
like
Yo,
that.
I'll be mad as shit
Yo,
when I be looking at OG shit too. I'm like, yo,
nah,
OG
O- OG,
still
bro. That's
getting
why I
cooked,
called. That's why I
man. Like,
called him. Like, yo,
wait,
you ain't
I
see me.
ain't
You
looked at that
ain't
shit
you
in
ain't see
forever.
solo. So this nigga
Nah,
had 10 bids in the XFA, cuz.
damn.
He blew that shit. I was mad as hell at him, bro. I was mad at him, bro. I was mad at that nigga, bro.
What's his
I
YouTube
knew
name
for
again?
sure. I knew for sure he was gonna get something out of that shit, bro.
It's
Like,
I'm sending it.
I was like, bro, there's no way he's gonna blow this shit this time. Like, no way.
My boy, man.
Like, damn,
It's alright though. Shout out OG,
so
man.
good.
OG need to answer
Son
though.
being
He gotta come explain himself though. Niggas got his insights on what was his mindset in that moment. I cried. I ain't gonna lie. I think I would have cried.
Thing is, man, niggas need to be okay, and it's the same shit. It happens to all of us.
It do
Like, I
though.
feel like the number one problem is, like I said, that run that I had, bro. Like, I think I only lost one trade in like 2-3 weeks. I lost one trade,
It's
but it
tough.
only took one day for me to blow that account.
One day.
You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like, it literally only takes, if you don't have the right risk management. Even though I was trading well, I felt like, bro, I literally felt I could not lose a trade. I was on the run.
Yo.
I was like, bro, I can't. There's no way I'm losing a
You
trade,
can't do
bro.
it, bro. Yo, cause
You
it
feel
was
me? And
like,
then
yeah.
once you get that loss, that shit, that tilt just comes. You like, nah, like I can't. Why the fuck am I gonna be red? I've been green. My shit been green the whole fucking for 2 weeks. That loss is gonna send you on tilt. So you have to put like preventive measures in place so that you don't go on tilt. And that's why, at least Top Step X, they have all the risk settings and all that. But even beyond that, you gotta just have
It's yeah.
rules in place where,
Uh-huh.
you feel me, you take 2 losses,
Get the
you're
fuck off.
done.
Yeah, get the fuck off the church, bro. Like that's why I like the lockout
There's
shit.
no need.
Yeah,
Yeah.
'cause it don't be no. You know what it is? It's like you said. Like when I had my 2 XFAs, I remember I was doing I had my 2 XFA. I had I had one XFA, two combines. I had passed my. I did the 50% XFA first day, 1,500. Had the XFA. I felt like a god. I took one loss in my combine. I'm like, nah, bro. I've been winning too much. Took another loss. I just kept going. I'm like, damn.
Right.
So I go on the XFA. I'm trying to prove myself to XFA, and I just kept rushing, and it was over, bro. But the preventable measures was the rules. Like after 2 losses, walk away. And like you said, Top Step could do whatever. You could have all these preventable measures, but if you mentally not able to stop yourself, them shits don't matter, bro. Because you always could change them shits.
Right.
Like yeah, nah.
Right.
I want to take another trade. Let me take this off real quick.
Unless you set it up, because you could lock your risk settings. You could lock it in like in them. Unless you like lock that shit, because you could literally lock yourself and say 2 trades per day, like before market open, and say you can't change it. So if you take 2 trades, the shit's gonna lock you out. You get what I'm saying? But niggas is not. People don't want to do that because they feel like, oh, if I take 2 trades and I'm down, maybe you feel me, I could be able to. But it's not about that. Trading is about longevity. You feel me? Like we're supposed to think like the casino. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. Cause
Gamblers, we the casino.
cause look, I work at the casino now and shit. And I be asking questions. I be as one nigga. I always see him, bro. He always asks me, I was like, how you beat the casino? He said the one reason why niggas lose to the casino is they keep trying to get back break even. And when he said that, I'm like, damn, that's why they be losing the trading. As people always try to get back even. He said if you just walk away and come back to even if you just take the day away, you won. Cause you decided to tell yourself, I'm not giving these niggas no money.
Yep.
And you won.
Yep.
Like you win by walking away, bro. That's bigger than you trying to win it back. Cause think about every time you tried to win money back from this shit. You might have won a couple times, but I know I lost more times when I tried to get back even. More than when I first I just walked away. I won't even cap. Chat. I won't even cap.
Cause at that point, you feel me, your strategy, your strategy doesn't have an edge no more. Once you keep taking trades, that shit, you don't have no edge. Think about it. In a casino, right? A motherfucker could win $2 million in a casino. You think the casino's sweating it? They don't care because it's 500 niggas that's lost money for them to pay for the person that won that $1 million. They know that with time, at the end of the day, they gonna come out on top. They don't gotta win every hand. You feel me? They know people's gonna win, but at the end of the year, they gonna be up. The casino is gonna be up every year. You get what I'm saying?
Every time.
So it's like you gotta think like that as a trader, and say, okay, how can I be the casino? The way for you to be the casino, not the gambler, is,
Hold up. What the fuck?
If not, you're literally gambling for real. You get what I'm
You
saying?
are,
And
yeah.
it's gonna take every trader their own time. You gotta learn. It's gonna take losses for you to learn that. You get like nobody. It's not like a thing that anybody could just learn. You're gonna learn that shit through losses for real. So
If I say it's an experience
yeah,
no matter what, bro. You gotta just. Nigga, we already. I feel like niggas too deep in, bro. Anyway, bro. You see, I gotta make it off this shit.
right.
I don't gotta rush it, but like you said, bro.
Yeah,
Uh, I just I'm tired of putting money and not getting my shit back. But like I'm the reason why I was like that. Cause I got a one payout before, first 8 months in, but since then it's just like I've been in my own way. Like that's all it is, bro. But
right.
I ain't
And you can get out that shit. You just gotta, like I said, you just gotta make sure you keep that edge in the market for real. That's it.
Yo, Solo.
Yo,
Hey, why you long getting that shit, bro?
I just got it. I just hit it. I'm
Are you
shorting.
sure? Oh, what you got
Yeah,
off that 1 minute?
yeah, I got off the 1 minute.
Oh man, I don't know, bro. I could have been into off that shit, but nah, you ain't saying nothing wrong with BSM. I don't know. I probably won't trade him more trade agent right now though. I don't really see nothing else. All my entries I did want, that's just left. So I'm chilling.
But try looking at Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Be looking good. I ain't gonna.
Bitcoin futures?
Bitcoin, Bitcoin futures be looking good.
Nah, nigga, that's crazy.
What,
let
bro?
me look.
Look at the charts.
Let me
Look at the chart.
look at the chart. I
And
try
ain't
to.
gonna lie, look like it's gonna plump real quick. That little gap he got marked out.
Well, futures.
You know, for
What time?
solo, I'm
What
definitely
time
finna hit
frame?
into.
What time frame? 5 minute?
What he on?
What you want? A 5 minute
It's
or
like a hard
1 minute?
time for him. Like
Uh,
so it might be 1 hour gap.
5 minute and 1 minute.
we go on
It's
on
a
a
1 hour
on the
gap.
4 hour on the
What's the
4 hour.
1 hour? Yeah.
It's hella just gaps on this bitch, bro.
Now Bitcoin do look bullish though. It look like it's delivering from that
Bitcoin
what's it called? That
crazy.
5 minute gap.
Let me see.
And a lot of things. Another thing I've been using a lot recently is SMTs too. With
UJ
ES.
left, bro. And he ain't coming back to that
Yeah.
15-minute gap, bro.
I never
That's
really
what
And
use
with gold,
SMTs. I never use SMT. I probably should. I probably add that to my bag, bro. What you
Yeah,
use
like,
SMT?
it help a
SMT
little.
SMT is a
It
great
help.
confluence, bro. Especially if you
Yeah,
tying
it
that shit
help.
in with time. It's a great,
It help.
even with gold. Like gold, I be using. I was on my live account. I was trading gold. I was using SMTs with silver, and that shit was playing out. Like if you look at silver and gold, and it has an SMT, that should be playing out.
Hit my
Yeah,
TP.
hang
Oh
on.
yeah.
I've seen an increase in my winning trades just because of the S&Ts and shit.
Yeah, SMTs is.
Last week I took a trade on Nas.
Oh, hold on. Oh, my
Nas
niggas
cleared the
here.
low
That
and
nigga
US
boy.
30 and ES
Oh,
fitted.
good nigga.
Shit,
You know what I'm
Market
saying?
makers here, nigga.
who shot Ag next? Who
That's
shot
Moy.
Ag next? Who y'all think? Good boy.
And Dorweezy
Where
out there
Max
making this
at?
motherfucker.
Shot
Add
Ag,
Max.
shot Ag Max too. Yeah, he had a couple more niggas in this bitch, man. Let's see. Fuji.
See what the fuck niggas
I
been
had
up
that, I had
to,
that nigga,
man.
I had
More
that
what?
nigga, I had that nigga Cleasy too, bro. That's my guy.
I know Moy been getting all the payouts and shit.
My son, hey, Moy, I think when Moy was taking that break, Moy, when you taking that break, bro?
Boy been cooking. He had all them
Nah, I'm on that break no
XFAs.
more, nigga.
You ain't taking no break.
Nah.
That
And
nigga,
that bitch dumb, man.
You be cooking.
nigga Moy was like, yo, Qua, we gotta like, we gotta chill, bro. Yo, Mil, nigga, me and Moy had a
Nah, look,
heartfelt
peace.
conversation. Nigga said he ain't even do it. Nigga crazy.
No,
Uh,
look,
let's see.
nigga, it's like no reason why I go demo, to be honest, bro.
Okay. Alright, nah, you good, man.
I
I
fucked
feel
up, bro.
bad. It ain't no breaks, bro. It ain't no damn breaks.
That
It ain't
nigga
no
boy
breaks,
said
bro.
he said he's
Oh, no,
about to
but
go on a demo.
peace.
Hey, nah, that nigga said Moise about going on a demo 30-day shit. I'm like, yeah, all right, fuck out.
Wait, who not? I'm not gonna
It was
lie,
I
it
bro.
was
could
it
never
was it
do
was
it.
a
Outside
good
of my
thing though. It
motherfucking
was a
content.
good. I wasn't mad at it. Like it would have been good. But
I could never trade demo for 30 days. Like I feel like I'm just wasting my time.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking after I said that. I'm like, hold on, bro.
I'd rather just not look at the charts for 30 days for real.
Nigga, just get on nigga, just
Man,
get
then
on
you gonna be losing. Nah, I'd rather
Twitter
be on a
account.
demo 30 days. Gotta look
Just
at
get
the
on the Twitter
charts.
account and just
Cause you gonna
Yeah.
losing your touch for.
Yeah,
I mean,
I'd be
actually not. I'm gonna look at the charts. I mean, I'm gonna just not trade. I'm gonna just take no trades.
I
I'm gonna
heard
just be
my
watching
son B son got a payout.
So you gonna look at them. I was do demos. Look at it.
I got one. One of many. You feel me? Gotta do this
Word.
shit again. We gotta do this shit again, man. I got 3
How much
extra
was
phase
it?
now. I'm trying.
Sit down.
It was just 1,800 for
Mm-hmm.
real. 1,800. Yeah, that shit came in like 3 days. It was cool.
Days. You had that Bitcoin or you did like a bank withdrawal.
Nah, I did ACH. ACH with Top Step.
I
They
think
sent that shit right into
ETA.
my bank.
it's on
ACH.
ACH, right? Yeah, some shit like that, bro.
Yeah, ACH. Where they send that shit directly to
They
your
ain't got no
account.
they Bitcoin. Bitcoin probably been that same day for probably
Nah,
like a
nigga.
few.
I don't think Top Step don't do crypto.
Cause
You could either do
Yeah.
ACH or you could do Wise transfer.
I think cause
If you
Top
have
Step
like
that's that's like a regulated like system through like the banks. So I think that's why like they
yeah.
don't do crypto.
I did Bitcoin with Coinex though. I took a withdrawal with Coinex on Bitcoin. But yeah.
Bro, fuck that. All my trades I would have took here, played out. I'm chilling. Just talking with y'all niggas. About to clean my
Yeah, I'm not trading to like
Yo,
I'm already down to the combine. I'm gonna wait.
so more, what you want? More, what you want? You want prop firm? What
I'm
prop
not
firm
gonna
you
lie.
from?
I'm not
Talk to me.
gonna lie, bro.
Talk to me, gang.
Well, I'm gonna keep my shit quiet, bro.
I know. Now lock in, lock
Yeah,
in,
bro.
lock in, lock
Bro,
Hey,
in,
this
bro,
nigga
lock
always
in.
doing this shit.
Yeah, lock
Nigga, just say
in.
bro,
it.
It's it, man.
bro,
Just say it.
bro. I'm a. Y'all will know in a bit. Y'all will know in a bit.
Nah, we gonna know. How we gonna
This
know?
nigga.
Y'all not gonna know in a bit. Hey,
I do be getting
but
Nigga,
cooked.
you
I would
When
say
trading
you
this
say
though.
demo.
that, when I say that, I mean when you say that, we know you're getting cooked. Just tell us how badly you getting cooked.
This nigga
Like
talking about getting cooked. Man, I don't get cooked, nigga.
why you
I
getting
don't get
All,
cooked.
tested,
all I
bro?
want to know is what prompt firm you
Where,
on, bro.
nigga,
You ain't gotta
you act like we actually your stats. We just asked what prop firm you want right now. We know you want a prop. Like, nigga trying to be secretive with the prop firm. Nigga, it's not that many prop firms, cuz.
nigga
Hey,
gatekeeper.
They
I'm on
Gatekeeping
fun
gatekeeping?
for the
prompt firm.
futures right now. I'm on fun for the futures.
Yo,
That's all I'm gonna say
that
though.
shit tough though. Which one you pay for?
Yeah.
And they on
The Starter
Apex.
Plus.
How much? How much was the starter plus? That was like $90, right? Or that was like 100 something.
No, $127.
Yo,
First generation.
what was the difference with that one though? Yo, I ain't gonna lie. My from the futures, I was low key confused on
Bro,
like.
it's basically look. I'm gonna tell you this. It's basically just like Top Step, but the maximum that you can get like withdraw is 1,200 until you like they switch it to a life account.
Okay.
But it's the same thing as Top Step, but cheaper.
Okay.
Yeah, see that's dumb though. Why only
Only
1,200?
1,200.
Like
Yeah,
Until
until they
how long
switch
though?
you. I don't know how long.
It's probably
Damn.
like
I
30
think you gotta
days.
get
They
like
switch you.
I think you gotta get like 4 payouts for 1,200.
So you said
I think
starter
it's like
plus.
6K. 6K. No, it's six. Yeah, you got
Starter Plus. Is that the name of
6K.
it?
No, it's called my
Yeah, the
fund
Starter
futures.
Plus. Starter Plus.
Wait, but the prop firm my fund futures, my fund futures though.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I'm not gonna
Ain't it
lie,
a month on FX
I'm
too, right?
getting take profit.
you gotta take
It's
Take
called
profit.
profit's
Secret
good
Market.
too.
I
Take
never used
profit.
take
But that's
profit.
the thing though. They be doing some bullshit, bro. They
They
got the
do.
same thing as Apex.
Oh, that
Like I had that.
little trailing
So
drawdown
Pete,
shit.
yeah, hold on, Pete. And the eval, they don't have that shit. But once you get funded, they have it.
Damn.
That shit's so
Yeah, but
dumb.
you just gotta get you just gotta get over that 2K buffers and then it stops.
Yeah.
Gold, yeah. Oh, I'm chilling.
But the thing about take
It's just
profit is
straight up high,
the
and
thing
I'm
about take
looking
profit
too
is the
for it. I'm
daily
looking
payout. So you get a payout every day.
too. I'm
Yo,
looking too. I'm mad that UJ ain't coming back though. That shit
shit ain't
cold.
so
coming back.
like I was finishing the ICT
So I'm trying to
2022
lock in with this.
mentorship,
We'll
right?
make a new one, son. Yeah, see.
I was finishing the ICT 2022 mentorship, bro. This nigga chat so much. This nigga ICT is chat. He just be chatting so much,
I don't know
bro.
why you rewatching that shit,
Yeah,
bro.
That nigga be chatting. Hold on,
I be trying to watch these new episodes, bro, new videos, bro. It just be, bro, just
bro.
get
You
to
don't
the
even gotta
point,
do
bro.
that. You just gotta go to the 2022 mentorship, bro.
Them new shits ain't
Nah,
gonna
but
do
it's
shit.
new stuff though. Nah, it's like it's little
You need to
here and
create
there
your
that little
own. You need
gems
to
to be
create your
cooking.
own mentorship. Fuck ICT.
This nigga.
Nah,
Nah, he
facts
ain't
though,
lying
facts
though.
though.
You feel me? Nah,
I got my
For real,
foundation.
he
Now I
just like
add a little
he
cool
a
sauce
retail
to it.
trader just like
yeah, that
us.
nigga know, but he not
For real.
nobody different, bro.
He
I'm
called,
trying to
you
find
know.
this
But the
shit.
fact that he found this stuff though, I don't know if he found it, but the fact that he
Bro,
did is
I
crazy
was
though.
tight
Let's
because
see a
I missed
He
smart
like
ain't
ass
find
nigga.
that shit. He just renamed half of the shit. Like fair value gaps. That shit could be called single print. You feel me?
Wait, no
Like
funny. That shit really just like a gap. He just think about it. That's why niggas hate him, bro. Cause he be yapping, bro. Like bro. When I heard Turtle Soup, that's when I really stopped watching that nigga, bro. That shit gotta be tight. So cap, like, cause like,
That's
bro,
because you work
what?
on the
bro.
truth, they going
Like,
crazy though.
I'm not saying it look like I'm not saying the setup not crazy, but why you naming shit like this? Like, bro, that shit was goofy, bro. That shit get me tight, bro.
It's just like, bro, like he dropped some gems, but at the same time, like he just talks too much, bro.
Yeah,
This
bro.
nigga just be
He
chatting
one
too
of them
But
much.
the
niggas that
gym, bro,
And
you ain't
like,
gonna know when the gym gonna be at. It could be like
yeah,
20
mid
minutes
gym,
in the
bro, he just started
episode. Like,
chatting.
you gotta
He
really
started
watch
chatting
it.
mid gym. Mind you, bro, I was rewatching this shit, and then I missed the midnight opening price, bro. I never knew about that shit. Like I knew about it, but I didn't know it was like together with the strategy, nigga. I started using that shit. Oh man, I'm not gonna say too much. I'm not gonna say too
you know say too much. Show niggas,
much.
bro.
I'm not gonna say too
Yo,
much.
I always
I'm not
trying
gonna
to
say.
not say too much, bro.
Trying to gatekeep.
Alright, you try to gatekeep. You in the same?
Nigga,
You ain't even
I just told y'all niggas. I just told
the
y'all
open
niggas,
it.
bro.
Since I'm about to open the
bro,
gap,
you're
nah,
not
yeah.
even doing too much. You talking about you're not gonna
Oh, the
say
opening
too
gap.
much.
Oh,
What?
yeah, he
No,
thinking
He
no,
ain't
about
even
that.
no.
say
I'm talking
nothing
about
crazy,
me.
being simple. Like, he thought he said some crazy shit.
Nigga, I'm talking about me, nigga. I'm
Oh,
talking
alright.
about me.
You
I
got
don't
this
talk about
strap.
the strat, nigga. This shit is free. Why would I keep
Yeah,
gatekeeping
he's
strategies,
still
bro?
new.
Alright, bro. But long you got secure, I ain't lying. None of this shit matter. Niggas securing the bag. But that's why I really be trying to lock in. Cause, I mean,
What's the strategy? Because once you profitable, then you go
but
crazy.
every strategy works, bro. Really just a person. No cap, bro.
Bro, I feel like once you learn how to read the charts, bro,
I
you can
like
use
that.
any strategy
Oh,
for real.
Really though.
push them.
Cause it's really not the strat, bro. It's really like you. Like
It's
how are you
you.
executing? How patient are you, bro? Like, bro.
Is it 80%
Risk management.
psychology, 20% strat?
I'm saying, bro. Cause we all know how to trade, bro. Right? For months, nigga. Like that shit
Yeah.
not hard, bro.
It's just the
Get up
entries
on
It's
and
the
really not.
being patient.
It's sticking to
And
them
shit.
rules. That's the thing,
That
and
shit
not
is
going
too.
on tilt when you
exactly.
lose.
Discipline.
When
I
you
still
lose,
Discipline.
taking a red day, like those are the
that's
biggest
the
things.
biggest shit. It's the ego though, bro. Niggas be too. I be like, nah, I ain't trying to walk. I ain't trying to walk away. You feel me? I ain't trying to walk away with no red on my shit. Like I'm bitching. Like bro, fuck.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
man.
feel me?
But you
Like
know the name of the game. I just got to remind myself the name of the game is for me to be able to trade
yo,
tomorrow
that's
in
a
that
fact.
same account.
Exactly. If you can't even, if you
You
don't
get
even
what I'm
got no
saying?
fun, if you don't got no funds to play, then you lost. You definitely lost. Like
Right. You out the game,
yo, the
like
game.
you
Like
feel me?
That's what I say. Buddy who made that 24K, he did it on his last bit of money, bro.
yeah,
He
bro.
really locked
You
in
got that.
and went crazy. And like I folded when I
I did too. Nah, you know
pressure
opportunities
got
I had,
real.
bro.
Pressure
Like
got real.
to really change my shit, and I just folded. Now I
Yeah,
was like, damn,
man.
that was the
Back at the
test.
beginning for you.
Wait,
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah, because then it'll get to a
That
point where
nigga
you don't got
passed
no
it.
money to buy no more accounts. Then you gonna be like, damn.
Stupid. Now you either
Yeah.
gotta wait for that next check, or you gotta wait till you find another gig to get that money up, and you just sitting there like,
Right.
that
what
shit
blood the other
hurt.
one?
Sitting there,
You
What
said
blood?
what more?
What blood?
yeah.
What blood the other one?
Bro, I had that shit like 3
And the crazy
days.
thing about it is when
Mhm.
you waiting,
Well, I
you
didn't
wanna
even tell
see
you
your
more.
perfect setup too. You wanna see
Why
a
wait?
perfect setup play out. You don't got no account.
Yeah, you watch the market. That'd be the worst. So you watch the market. You see a setup. That they go crazy. Like,
Yo, bro, I was at work, bro. I had passed 2 combine. Well, I had that shit on 50%. I got mad cocky. It was like 8 o'clock. Got cooked, bro. Got cooked, bro. You laughing at my pain? Hey, yo.
why you laughing?
Yeah, that's
That's
crazy.
funny. Yeah, he
No,
wild.
he good, bro. I ain't worried about boy, bro. Nah, son. I can't get mad at that nigga.
Nigga, bro, you know, so many people in here, bro. Well, in the last Discord that was trading at work and lost their shit.
Bro, you know what? I really got mad cocky that day, bro.
Yo.
But then the funny thing is, yo, dude, I did that shit. I was on the toilet. Look, I was like, damn, because I was at work just tired of that. I'm like, man, maybe this should make work go faster, right? Nigga, that shit made.
Hold on, you know what?
What was that? You go.
Yo, hold on. You know what's crazy? You did not learn from your mistakes because you did that shit.
I did that shit before. But I didn't blow my exit fade at work though. I blew my combines at work. I blew my exit fade at home, bro. Okay, bro.
Oh yeah, that XFA that you had to pay out on, you ain't take that shit out.
Yo, nah, that hurt, bro. Yo, nah, that was one of my worst. I still think about that shit, bro. Cause yo, that day I wasn't gonna go to work that day. I wasn't gonna go to work that day, bro. Okay, I still remember that shit. I was like, bro, I woke up. I was like, I'm not doing no call, no show. I wonder what happened if I didn't go to work that day. I think I would have made a meal off that shit.
And that account, bro, it took like you was on that account for a minute. Like it was a combine, like you really took your time with that shit. And that's what I'm saying. That shit could blow up in one day. Like you really gotta just lock in and stick to these rules no matter what. Because it could just take that one day and you're cooked.
Literally, yo, that shit was crazy, bro.
Take one time, bro.
Yeah, what is
one
niggas
time.
said,
Take the one day, bro. It take 10 minutes. That's gonna be 10 minutes.
It don't even take a day.
That shit could be 30 seconds for you rest. You go 30. Remember when I went 30 deep on my shit? That shit was like 10 seconds. Nigga, when I went 30 deep, I was out the game. 10 seconds.
That shit really hard, people. And then yo, niggas be feeling terrible after. Yo, cause you just sit there look dumb, bro. You like, damn, what did I gain from that? Yo,
what did I just do?
What did I just do? Like you just sitting there looking stupid, like damn. Like that shit really going, son. Like that shit really going.
Yeah.
Man, ain't gonna count. I'm seeing gold by that's only playing.
Nah, I don't see shit.
I
don't see shit. Yo, Jared, if I kept that YM stuff from earlier, I would have been chilling, nigga.
Yeah, ain't gonna count. Yeah, you'd have been done.
I'm chilling though, bro. That's why I'm here though. Nah, but yeah, but nigga, everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's up.
Oh yeah, it's taking off.
Hey, mama, you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you fit. Damn. Yeah, I ain't gonna. I seen it, bro. I seen it. I had a feeling, bro.
That was a good push.
I'll just go on yours.
Depends how you push my car.
My daughter.
Ain't gonna count. If I would have did that, TP would have been right. Except flawless. TP. And TP would have been the 50%.
Wait, so what? So what you put profit in that shit already or not?
Yo, JR.
But still, it finally broke structure though. Yeah.
JR, what was that indicator that you told me about?
The co-star bossing.
What?
The indicator that you told me like months ago.
The only thing I remember is the sessions. Asia, London, New York session.
I think I got it.
Yo, what the fuck? The fuck just happened to gold?
Okay.
Yeah, I might take this gold trade 1 minute.
That shit going to my 1 minute guy. That shit leaving.
I'm trying to trade New York tomorrow.
Hell yeah, I'm trading that shit.
I take it.
I'm chilling right now.
I might trade London session for
my boy, London session trader.
I like London session.
London be busting though. Even for the indices, I ain't gonna hold you.
I ain't gonna count. Trades be going crazy in London session for indices, bro.
Yeah, they recently have.
I just don't. I be sleeping around that.
Word, I be going. I ain't even gonna cat. Wait, hey, more. So you got profit in that shit?
Crazy. So they know majority people asleep and they're in London.
I was gonna sell YM again. I should have did that shit.
Except for the niggas in London.
He's talking the niggas in London. Them niggas up. That's why that shit buzzing.
I don't know what gold doing. It like it's going back up,
but gold gonna fill that gap. Oh look, TP finna be hit. Ain't no.
going,
Go
man.
finna go.
I feel like
Go finna
NQ,
feel
I
that.
feel like NQ gonna take that low and go fill 50% of that gap, that opening gap.
Ain't yo cap. Yeah, ain't yo. All entities gonna drop. They dropping. They dropping. I feel like they going for 30. Nice. They got. I wanted to go to that 1 hour gap so I can buy in that 1 hour gap.
They go death about to feel a little opening
But
gap.
again, just come from right here too though. For ES though, there's a 4 hour bullish gap that is close to that I wanted to go down
I'm
to.
about to hit my Cougar up, bro. So send me like another 50, bro. So I can buy a combine. Yo, what BSM? I told you, BSM.
Yo, what my nigga Max had, bro?
I had him in this shit.
Might be the one.
Yo, BSM.
Dang, bro, I seen it.
I'm talking this whole time. Niggas ain't even hit. Yeah, that shit going. Yeah, that shit going. That shit going. Yo, BSM.
Yo,
boy, I told y'all niggas I got a sugar mama, bro. That be giving me money. I told y'all niggas that shit.
yeah, hell yeah.
You be fucking her and shit?
Yo, ask these.
What you mean? You think she giving him money for nothing?
Nah, I ain't crack her in a minute though, but she sent me probably over like $500 total. I said in a little minute, bro. I said a little minute. Last time I went over there, she made some pancakes.
How is she?
She's like, bitch, old. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Tell me for you, bro. Tell me no fool, bro. Yo, this nigga fucking a
That shit.
What do you mean?
Bro, my job, bro. Cause she bought in. She like, you look cute. You look good for my daughter. Her daughter was decent. I ain't gonna lie. But her daughter was talking to some nigga.
Damn, you could have smashed her and the daughter.
Her daughter lived in like Jersey. I'm in PA right now, whatever. So her daughter lived in Jersey. Her daughter had a man.
Hold on. Why this nigga talk like that, bro? Why you saying daughter like that?
What you mean, daughter? Why come from my accent, bitch? Look, some more story. Look, yo, go bussin', yo, but right. So BS boom. So she said she.
From New York?
Not from Jersey, bro. Jersey, bro.
Daughter.
Dick run. You dick run. Look, boom. So right. So then, whatever her daughter had a man, whatever. So then, like maybe like a week later, she seen me. And we was talking, whatever. Like we had a real conversation, and then she had texted me, and she was like, would it be weird if me and you talk? I'm like, I mean, nah. We have a conversation or two. That same night I cracked her. That same night I cracked her.
She knew her daughter had a man. She was trying to get in there.
Hey man, she be dick run, bro. I'm gonna make her buy me some shoes. Watch, bro. I just been chilling though. Bro. And I just been talking to shorties at work, but I'm chilling right now, bro. Chilling, bro. Yo, boy, Wario, since working at a casino, it low key make me better as a trader, even though I did just blow my. That's the first count out. Nah, that's like my second. I fucked up recently. Since I just be asking, niggas questions. That should be cool. You said what? Yo, Mo, you be popping mad shit. You just told me you was crying the other day, bro. Like, fuck out of here, bitch. Like, Boy be trying to play niggas.
Bro,
Boy be trying to play niggas.
I said when I first lost my account, nigga.
That's some more, you be trying to ego niggas like you be getting cooked. Like, yo, I hate this nigga. Yo,
I be getting cooked.
Yeah, you be getting cooked. You be getting cooked.
Boy, you gotta chill out,
bro. Talk your shit. Let me hear. Yeah. So you got the.
I be losing my account.
I do too, bro.
But look, I be consistent making profits. Like, let's say I'm doing for like 3 days. It just takes that 1 day, bro.
That's everybody. So what, bro? So that's what we trying to say, nigga. We all do the same thing. That's the easiest.
Right, that's everybody.
Yeah, that's everybody, bro.
We all at the point where we trying to consistently get payouts. If you ain't getting consistent payouts, nigga, you shouldn't be talking shit.
Nigga, that's what it is. That's all we trying to say. You good though, nigga.
Hold on. P.
Yeah,
so y'all telling me y'all don't be getting y'all don't get. Oh my god, I can't speak. Y'all telling me y'all don't be getting like cooked in days on like fuck.
Can't even talk. You talking that bullshit. That's why. Talking that bullshit. Don't even say nothing. Don't even say nothing. Tell nigga to even talk.
Hold on. I'm trying to say, so y'all don't be getting cooked days on like. Oh my god.
Cause you can't talk. You want this bullshit. That's why I like just not talking.
On the road. Y'all don't be getting cooked on the road, nigga.
In a road? What do you mean? Give it like an example.
like 2 3 days in a row.
No, 2 years in a row is crazy. I mean, even if that happens, that just mean you're on a losing streak, but that always could end. Like that don't mean anything. What are you trying to say, bro? Like, what are you trying to say?
Y'all don't be no losing streaks.
That's normal. All it takes is one day to break
Bro,
that.
everybody, we're traders, bro. We all get on losing
Yeah,
streaks.
and all it takes is one
Every
win a
trade,
day.
We all.
that's
Hey,
part of trade.
He's we all more last time got to pay out, bro.
hey.
If you ain't get a pay out, you're on a losing streak, bro. That's more. That's humble though. I ain't get one in a minute, bro. Just humble yourself, more. Why you trying to talk like you that nigga right now, bro? You got 10 bands right now in payouts.
And payouts?
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah, so you got
Nigga, you got
chill.
$200. You got $200 in payout.
Right, cause I ain't lie. Look, I'm sure I'm down on trade. I admit that shit. Nigga, I ain't gotta. You feel me? Niggas ain't mad, bro. Niggas still like, yo, what the fuck is that?
Oh God, I'm hearing that shit. I'm down.
Nah, but you good, boy, bro.
Man,
We gonna make this shit, bro.
We all
This is pure discipline, bro.
Now if we keep gambling,
Tight shit. That's true too.
That's what I'm saying.
That's true
You
too.
gonna
Hey,
keep
real
gambling.
nigga, real nigga.
It's gonna get to your breaking point where you're gonna be tired of losing and tired
Yo,
of bullshit.
Moy. How to cut you off BSM, bro? I don't know if you peeped. That nigga OG had 10 bands in the XFA, bro.
did he withdraw?
No, nigga.
You're lying to me.
On my
He
mother.
said, did he withdraw? Bro, he blew that whole 10 bands. That shit was crazy.
This shit was crazy.
He
When I
did that
seen
first.
it, bro, I said, "Oh, OG going
I couldn't
stupid."
believe it, bro.
Withdraw. You should have said withdraw. That nigga did not withdraw. But I just don't understand that nigga, bro.
OG. That's why I added him to the call, man.
Bro, if you got 10 bands, you gotta put a daily loss limit on your shit, bro. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, there's
Yeah,
no way you got 10 bands and
bro.
you don't put a daily loss limit.
Bro,
Like,
if I would
if
have
I
had
lose a
5, bro.
band,
Yeah.
I'm done.
If I would
You
have
feel
had
me?
5, nigga, I would have just traded my 200 probably. Just so like you could secure that bit, cause that shit don't matter, bro. If you don't got that shit, bro.
Especially if you haven't got a payout in a minute. You
You
feel like
feel
we
me?
really been
Yeah.
like
My
shit.
nigga, my nigga OG, so chill out, my nigga OG, bro. That
Yeah,
nigga
not in a
pro
bad way,
gambler, bro.
bro.
My
Somebody a
nigga pro
pro
gambler,
gambler.
bro.
Real nigga, man. Shout out OG, man. I just what
He
Look,
nigga.
take too
I
many
heard this,
trades.
right? I heard this shit that if who's that? Oh,
Shit, I ain't. Boy, what you hear, my boy? Talk your shit, gang.
oh hold on.
Nigga, boy ain't hit nothing. That's why you be lying. Just be making
I'm
shit
cooking
up,
right now.
bro. Just making shit up, bro.
Boy, be making shit up on the go.
Oh shit, yo, Joe, you still entering gold or nah? I that shit left, man.
Yeah, that shit gone, bro.
Nah, it's a 5 minute
Shit
though.
gone.
Yeah, come back down to this 5 minute. I'll hop in on that. If it don't, I ain't trading it. I'm probably done. It's probably 10 o'clock.
Alright, I'm back.
They
But yeah,
just did
nigga,
a sweep.
I was watching this one video that said
Damn.
if you don't follow all your rules to a T, nigga, and you break your shit, you're gambling.
100%. 100%, bro. 100%. Even one,
That's what
cause
I was just saying. A gambler, not the casino. You feel me? Once you break your rules, you're a gambler.
So everybody gambling.
so even Wednesday, damn, we got Red Fold at 8:30. This nigga Powell speaking at 1:30 p.m. too.
We
Y'all
got
been
Monday.
y'all
We
been
got
looking at
tomorrow.
crypto?
I've been looking. Nah, not
Y'all
really.
think the bottom is in?
I don't know. You think we is?
I think so
The
because
bottom
if
for
you look on the
indices.
We look on the daily. We,
bro,
we look good on the
JL,
daily. I ain't gonna lie. We look good on the daily for like S and P.
JL, JL, we got a weekly SMT.
For who?
For
If
what
you look on
period?
the
What pair?
weekly NQ and ES,
Let me see.
NQ
Wait,
and ES,
BSM,
it's a weekly SMT.
BSM, what you be trading now? You be
I
trading
trade.
ICT?
I don't. Nah, I wouldn't call it. I trade my own setup. I don't know who's. It's a mixture of. You feel? It's basically time based. I trade time based liquidity sweep and like a confirmation of a reversal, basically. That's my
Oh,
that's
You really
my
trade time and price. Time and price, man.
yeah.
Yeah, that's really everybody trading.
wait, who am I watching trading right now? Yo, Solo, you on the funny
What's
account?
up? No.
I was about to say, what the fuck are you doing?
Wait, come for that
What do you
nigga.
mean?
Yo,
I,
George
I'm
just
so
be
confused.
saying anything.
I'm so confused because he taking like a little, like 20. I don't even know, bro. Like, I was so confused. I'm like, ain't no way he's on a funny account, right?
Nah,
Oh,
nigga,
because the money, because the money.
Yeah, I was
Um,
so confused, bro. And then I wasn't you like entering back and shit.
so what?
Then you like re-enter.
oh, I
Yeah,
should have
yeah, yeah.
added yo
Yeah,
Trader
This,
Hall.
this,
Yo, that nigga tell more. Nigga Trader Hall said tell more I slam his shit in Fortnite. Nah, box fight. Yo, yeah, I'm about to make the Discord
I can't, I
tonight.
can't, I can't even, I can't even play Fortnite no more.
Why not? I like that nigga.
then
Yeah,
again, not
I
even gonna
can't,
tell
bro.
us. Then again, not gonna tell us.
Nigga,
That
I'm gonna tell
nigga,
you.
that nigga solo try hard, bro. Play solo.
Nigga, I got banned.
got banned.
Nigga hacking.
Yo,
Nigga
he getting
hacking.
Get
banned and
banned for
shit.
hacking. He was
I wasn't
hacking,
hacking.
bro.
I was hacking, but now I'm Fortnite.
Trader Hall,
You
what's your
still
Nigga,
Discord,
hacking.
bro?
nigga
Trader
hacking
Hall,
for more
what's
than
your
that.
Discord at, bro?
Nigga, basically, my man's from school, he wanted to play some Rainbow, right? Some Rainbow Six Siege.
Man, that's my shit,
Hacking
bro.
that
And
rainbow.
That's my
I
shit.
had a bright idea. I
That
had
ain't
a
your
bright
shit, nigga.
idea. We was doing
You
2v2,
bugging,
right?
nigga.
I had a
Nah, fuck me, Rainbow. What you gotta
nigga. We
say?
was doing a 2v2. I had a bright idea
Nigga,
to
I'm
cheat on
asking
that
him,
bitch.
nigga.
What's the
I'm
bright
like, I'm
idea?
gonna cheat on this bitch, right? I had a bright idea.
You
So
keep
I,
saying
I
idea.
cheated
Say
on
that
that
shit.
bitch. So I cheated on that bitch, right?
Mm-hmm.
And them niggas, figured I was hacking, this and that, right? So I uninstalled the cheats and shit. Mind you, I never got banned on Rainbow, right? I never got banned on Rainbow. Nigga, when I log in next day, I deleted all the cheats and all that from my PC.
Yeah.
Next day, bro, I get on Fortnite, I'm playing a match, this and that. I leave the lobby, I come back, then went back in the game,
Mm-hmm.
I get kicked out. I'm like, oh hell no, hold
You
on.
got
Then I
banned,
get
bro.
kicked out again, bro. I restarted my game, and then they said I was banned for 24 hours.
That's not
24
bad.
hours pass. Hold on, 24 hours pass. I'm perm banned
Damn. Wait, so you perm banned on what though? Like, I'm confused. Just
on Fortnite when I never cheated in that game ever.
damn. That's tough.
And nigga,
Probably
my
because you still
bro,
had that.
nah, I deleted it, but it was I guess it was still in my system. I don't know, bro.
Are you cheating anyway? Cause you fucking suck, nigga.
It's probably your recycling folk.
Hey, I don't
Thought
know,
of it on the
bro. I
recycling.
don't
I
know what
The
the
deleted it.
recycling, yeah.
I don't know
I
what
don't
the
know,
fuck
bro.
you
And
did.
then I tried to get my account back. They said, "Oh, we cannot show you. We didn't do no mistakes. Like you don't know that shit, nigga. Have you seen me hacking in your game? Hell nah.
We heard them niggas.
Just ban my shit,
Them niggas
bro.
said
They
they
just
made no
ban my
mistakes.
shit.
You,
They bugging. Them niggas bugging,
Order
bro.
filled.
Mind you, I spent like hella money in that game too, over $1,000, nigga.
Damn.
I
oh,
had
You like
hella
that?
Fortnite?
skins, bro.
I can't even say that, bro. When I was a kid. I used to run that shit up, bro. I used to run Fortnite the fuck up, bro.
Nigga, bro, mind you, it's like a 7 or 8 year old
I was about to
account,
say, yeah,
bro.
bro. Fortnite back in the day.
Nigga,
I don't think they
OG,
got me for a ban though. Ban,
I
I do
had
remember
hella
though,
skins,
yeah.
bro. OG skins, all that.
Oh, so that nigga Trader Hawk says you probably perma banned by Epic.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
I am.
yeah, that's
But
tough.
some nigga Turtle Holland know what's up with me, bro. I busted his ass in front of NG and that nigga Max. It was 20
Yo, NG
to
still
1.
trading one micro. Like, nah, that's probably not even a bad idea in these market conditions, though.
Yo,
Ain't
I
gonna
Nah,
lie.
ain't shit on
yeah.
NG
Fuck
like that.
that.
No, I ain't trading no
You ain't
one
gonna get
micro.
Alright, but peace.
you ain't gonna get no type of profit.
Nigga, when this
I ain't
nigga
trading no
challenged me
one
to a
micro.
1v1,
Shout
This
out NG.
nigga
Yeah, I'm
10
making that
for
shit.
1v1. Nigga, I busted his ass in front of this
Yo, Charles,
nigga
send your
Max.
Discord, bro. I don't got you added on this shit. That's crazy.
Wait, how you talking to him right now?
Nigga, I'm live streaming, nigga. I've been live streaming this whole
Oh,
time.
I busted that nigga ass on in front of this nigga NG and Max. I was clipping his shit.
You as a fiend, that's why, bro.
Nigga, I did some crazy shit to him, but I'm not
Salute
gonna
him.
lie. I thought
Bro,
factory reset my PC will fix it. It didn't, and it deleted all my clips and all that.
that's tough.
You gotta get a whole new motherboard.
Nah, I gotta for I can play Fortnite
Yeah.
again. I gotta get a new drive, a new hardware drive.
Yeah, cool.
And
No,
then
Man,
bro,
go,
bro,
I'm
gone,
about to
bro.
say go, going, bro.
they ban you for your whole
yeah, my
PC.
I
server.
look on the
No,
we had all
it's
time
just my
highs,
Yeah.
JR.
server.
Then it.
Huh?
Bro, I see it, bro. Fuck, we going,
So
we
You gotta
I
going
get
just
a
gotta
jump back down, though. Jump back down.
you gotta
so
get a whole nother
Nah, we
motherboard.
went up too
you can
quick.
do that, but bro, I'm telling you, you just
Man,
gotta
cap.
get the
I've
drive.
been in sales for
I got two
Nas. I'll
drives,
give
right?
a foot for
You just
this.
gotta get
I
a
don't know why
whole
you
new
sound
drive, put it in,
That's-
and
30 was better.
factory reset your PC,
But
and that's it. And my
yeah, it
man's did it.
was,
My
but
man's did it. Well, no,
a
two of
Oh,
them.
week later.
I know what you're talking about. That shit not that hard.
Yeah, it's not, but nigga,
Hey, I'm
bro,
finally in profit though, bro.
nigga, I already said I'm not playing that shit no more, bro. It's
What?
not gonna be the
Fortnite?
same without my
PP.
skins, nigga.
Yeah,
Hell
nah.
yeah, nigga, I'm
Yeah,
not
nah. I
playing that
wouldn't
shit.
either. I wouldn't either.
Like, well, I'm not spending no more money on that game. I haven't spent money on that game since like I don't know, like months
20
ago.
seconds, 20 seconds. I mean, this should close just like it is. Everything.
I'm not playing that shit no more, nigga.
Yo, I hopped in.
Mind you,
Damn, man.
Yo,
they don't
Jared,
let you get
Jared,
your
look on my
account back
screen. Let me
out.
show you.
Niggas
I
do
hopped
not
in.
let
Yeah, I
you.
think now I think
Don't
Nas
worry.
is going for
Yeah.
these lows. He's about to take
Yeah,
these
it
lows
got
out.
equal. It
I'm in
got
the
equal
same
lows.
trade
I'm
with
in
you.
that
I ain't gonna
bitch.
lie.
I ain't gonna
I
cap.
hopped, I hopped, I hopped in the wine with this 5-minute gap right here, bro.
It ain't MES, but we basically in the same trade.
I had to.
Hold on, let me see. Hold on. I can't. Let me
Where my
see.
phone at?
Let me see. We all cooking. We all
I had
cooking.
to.
You still
I'm
in the
at,
right?
I'm at break
Yeah, we
even
all
though.
cooking.
I'm at break even. I'm like, nah.
Let me see.
It's
Yeah, me
like
too.
um,
I'm not break even.
even-
I'm not trade too, but so it's just 1 minute gap.
I'm paper
If it's
trading
both
though.
is 1 minute gap, it's
Oh, y'all
GG.
cooking? What y'all in?
I'm on 30. I'm 240.
I'm on
Nah, JR,
500.
hey, JR, do you know how much I be up right now, though?
No, I ain't gonna count. Yeah, I
I
felt
ain't gonna
bad, bro.
cat. Nah, you good though. You good though. No, nah. When we was in it though, it was shitty.
Yeah,
It was no direction. I ain't gonna cat.
Yeah,
That shit was shitty. What your shit is?
but you eating right now though. You eating
Only,
right. That's all
only.
that matters. You eating right now though. Damn,
I'm break even too.
eating right now.
me
That's the
too.
thing,
Me
Asia.
too.
You
Me
gotta
too.
let those trades play out. Just say fuck it, stop loss for the
Yeah,
Word.
TP.
Yes.
facts. It's all or nothing, bro. This boy was copying
Yo, Aqua.
Job me, yeah.
my
You
phone.
seen the
He peaked me 1,500.
you seen the group chat, the market talk?
Come on.
Which one? I ain't look at it recently. What happened?
Look at it and scroll up a little bit.
Talking about your boy. Hold on, let me see. I be in it watching. I ain't gonna hold you. Which one recently? You talking about that when that nigga made 68 bands, bro? Shit sick, bro.
Nah, keep going,
I think
keep
he
going.
up,
I'm
bro.
gonna
He
show
up
you.
We
200K
can
on
really
that
fit
shit.
a whole,
In a day, nigga.
In the
bro. We
day,
can
yeah,
really
he up
fill it.
200K. I'm
Yeah.
saying, he be your boy be shitting. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just be looking at that motherfucker.
Nigga up 228K in a day, bro. That shit
Yeah, this
crazy.
shit dumb. This shit could definitely come to these lows.
What's he
Yeah,
trading?
that's what I'm saying, bro.
He
It can
said
He
really
be
Forex.
trading
not,
forex.
No, I'm gonna send that
not
chat,
really
bro.
fill this whole gap, bro.
Yeah, you see this? You see this gap? It's a big
I can
ass.
go
Let me see.
And
Let
mine,
me see.
crazy, bro.
So
So what?
let me see.
bro,
You
that
gotta
shit
be
don't
about to
even
show me.
look
Let me see.
real, bro.
And this got
Yeah,
Huh?
ES left
yeah.
equal highs too.
Gap right here. Well, this is a gap. Still gotta be
Is that
filled.
equal highs?
ES
Yes,
for on the
it.
5 minute.
30 going dump.
Yes, on the 5 minute.
We
What?
just swept these low.
I don't like that.
I need 30 to dump.
Equal highs, or you see equal highs that.
30 cleared
on
that gap. I ain't
ES.
gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. Well, on now, not on.
I'm
I'm
gonna
on
be
Forex.
studying.
Forex, I don't see no equal highs. Forex,
Oh
we clear
damn!
all the
That's,
highs.
that's the 1925 candle and the 2010
That's how you show them niggas more.
candle.
Yo, BSM, look
The chat,
at
yeah,
the
that
chat
nigga
in
be
the group
wildin'.
chat.
He be wildin'. I ain't gonna
Okay,
lie.
look at the chat.
Yeah, in the group chat.
What we on right
This group
now?
chat.
Where the fuck the group chat at? Hold up.
Damn, that nigga made 65,000. God damn. And he only moved like it was look key. Key thing to take away from this. Look at his L's. Minimum
Yeah,
to his
man. That nigga
wins.
tough, bro.
Little.
They all be in there sending them big ass numbers, bro. I be like, damn, bro.
Like he,
They be
that
in there posting
nigga,
Corvettes and shit. We like, yo,
that
what the
nigga
fuck?
made.
Hey, love motivation
I
though.
want to
Like,
see
I
Yeah.
the
like
times. I
yeah.
want to see the times he got in and the time he got out. The bitch.
He be
Yeah,
Like
I
sending.
think
He
this
be.
he,
is.
Look, he don't
he
want to
look
help
like
stop loss.
he be holding them shits. That's what I'm saying. You gotta hold your
Yeah,
trade.
he's swing trading. He's swing trading.
He
Yeah, bro. Look,
So
he
he
don't want to
was
goddamn release
he
this
was
on
an NCD,
film that
USD,
capping.
AUD, USD,
Yeah,
and
Nas
NCD,
is coming for
USD.
these lows.
So in those three trades,
You see, yeah,
bro,
not
he
the
made
equal lows, not the equal lows.
And that's
that
crazy.
nigga.
It's not
130
equal lows
on
on this shit.
30.
But
I
we
don't know
never
how we do.
when we dumped on Nas, we never felt like we never got to 50% of
The
that
gap.
gap. I think we at least gotta hit that. You feel me? If we don't
Well,
fill the whole gap,
on spot, we
I'm
hit
a
the
400 on this
50%
shit, but I was in drawdown from
on
last week,
Forex.
so probably going to get myself out of this fucking drawdown. The fuck out of here. Should have went like 30
For sure
deep,
going, for
but I
sure
should have
going,
did.
for sure going to
you
take
you
profit.
manage your
Then we
risk.
don't run them.
Don't say
Oh
that.
yeah, you right.
You manage your risk appropriately.
Nah, it def feel good talking to you
Especially
niggas
if
though.
you
No
need this,
cap.
if you
No
need this
cap.
5 minute gap, it's good.
Uh,
We talking about S&P?
Especially everything breaking structure. Everything's breaking structure. Yeah, we should be good, bro. ES broke structure to the downside.
Yo, JR, how much pie you
Everything
got
broke
still?
structure to the downside. I ain't gonna lie, I sold all that shit when I put that dip on.
Uh, you
You up on
sold it
that?
when you
You up?
saw it
I
go
was mad at
down?
myself.
That is wild.
You
But
that shit.
that bit went down, bro.
How much you up
Bro,
on
Bruh,
that
it
shit?
went. I had $1, bro. It went down to 40 cents. You know, like hell
Wait,
no,
wait,
bro.
wait, 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 wait.
bro, how you?
How much you started with? Yeah. I think.
I got it at $1, bro.
I got
Bit as soon as I got in, bro, bill I'm going to 40 cents.
That's $60.
Bro,
Ain't that
You know how
60%, man?
nah, bro, why you sell
yeah,
it, bro?
bro.
You supposed to just keep it in there, bro.
Where that's a long term
Bro, that
situation.
you,
bit,
yeah,
That shit like
I'd
yeah,
rather
man, I
hold
was
that
looking
bitch
at
to
it,
yeah,
bro.
zero.
yeah, zero. You might as
Bro,
well
I
let
got
that
like
bit hold. God,
I got
Yeah,
like
bro, I was looking at it,
1K
bro.
in
Why
pie
as
right
soon as I
now.
hop in that bit,
okay,
that
that's
bit go
tough.
straight down to 40%. That bit crazy.
Mm.
I know,
Yeah, yo,
so go
y'all
crazy.
been buying shit long term, yo,
Yeah,
recently? Been buying stocks
Yeah,
recently?
Yeah,
bro,
hell
yeah.
yeah.
I'm goddamn.
XRP,
My
I
next
got
check
the
pie.
when
risk.
I
I got
get
the risk
paid,
right here, bro.
I shoulda like I'm mad I didn't buy some Nvidia, bro, last week, bro. Like, bro, I want to buy shit like that, bro. Nvidia is something I definitely want to buy, bro. Nvidia, I
Bro,
30 gone
you gotta
too.
get like stocks
Crazy.
that's not high yet, like
Should have
XRP.
them both. Whoa, damn.
nah, G, I should have kept
Yeah,
my shit,
XRP.
bro. My first one. You said what? Solo. What
You gotta buy
stocks?
shit that's not pricey right now. Like XRP,
Yo,
you buy that shit
XRP,
for like
yeah,
That's a
yo,
crypto though.
$1 or
yeah.
something,
If I
bro.
say yeah,
It
but
went down to $1.60. Imagine you put 500 in there, bro. It went to $2 already.
Yeah.
You would have made $500 more.
Yeah, me, I bought the Nasdaq, the Qs. You feel me? I bought Microsoft,
I definitely
um,
should have bought XRP Monday. What the fuck? I
Pepsi,
missed it.
Apple, and Adobe.
Yeah, first, ain't like I've been goddamn getting notifications like all the crypto's going up, everything going up.
Yeah, everything going back up.
I should have bought that shit Monday. I stopped looking at crypto. I'm bugging, bro. Damn. That
I
shit.
seen ETH 1%, like 5 times in 5 minutes. I'm like, damn.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, niggas is eating off the options too. Like you could
Options
trade,
is good.
you could trade Nasdaq options just like you trade in futures if you think about it.
Yo, Cleasy was saying that shit. I still didn't get that shit to this day. Like I didn't understand it. I need to,
You
bro.
just buying calls, or you just buying calls is like you going long, and puts is like you going short. It's the
Yeah.
same shit.
But then what about them extra little Greek shits, bro? You pay attention to those? Or like,
bro.
I mean, you do,
Give
you
me.
have to, but I feel like if you're doing it like on a day to day, like on an intraday basis, it's not. I don't think like. I think you should just get a contract that's not zero
Okay.
DTE, like the
yeah.
ones that expire the same day. You feel me? But if you go like out like a week out on the contract, you still gonna be trading the price of the chart.
Really
You
is
feel me?
break even.
He said, that shit ain't
Options
mad. That
hard
shit
as
ain't
fuck.
mad.
You gotta learn like
That nigga said that
Delta.
nigga said my Bitcoin pennant order got missed by 500. Damn, my boy, it's tough. Nah, XRP dump is insane. What Dogecoin look like?
Dogecoin. That shit not even a cent yet.
Yeah, Dogecoin, bro. I heard Dogecoin supposed to been up.
That shit dumb. Look at that. That shit back at what
Right.
we was back in October. That shit got the floor right now. That shit had
Like,
pumped up though earlier.
been
That
done.
shit pumped. I'm getting back in that bitch. I ain't gonna hold you. It pumped up a little bit. But I'm
If
not.
Dollars
NQ come up with this
Cardano.
5 minute gap, I'm gonna probably sell this shit.
Nah, I don't want it even. Well,
Bro,
I don't even
I
want. I
really
don't even
want
want.
to
I want
hold.
that shit to just dump right now. Fuck out of here. My entry too elite. My entry too elite right now.
Ain't no
Oh,
cap.
you got in that
I
shit.
don't mind it popping back up, but if it,
Mhm.
my entry is above the 5 minutes, so I'm cool. But
Oh
I'm a
what?
little bit
Yeah, my shit
low,
is too.
low.
Yeah, my shit is too. My shit is definitely above the 5 minute. I'm not worried about that. I just take a shit. It
I
might
want
dump
that bit
down.
now.
It might dump down London. If we stay low head, we could probably go lower. Like
We got time, bro. We only got. It's only 10 o'clock, bro. You feel me? We got like a whole other hour. You feel me? 12 o'clock till slow down.
I'm break
All right,
even
there
though,
you
so
go.
it is what it
It just
is.
tapped in that
Yeah,
gap.
What you
yeah.
want,
Just
Nas?
tapped in there. Yeah.
Let me go on. I don't trade Nas, but let me
Damn.
look how I look on
This
Nas.
shit just reversed
Damn,
on me.
So
This shit
strong,
just
that's
reversed
a
on me.
strong
crazy
push
That
push
up.
shit take
though.
profit.
Push up. I'm
Yeah,
break
I'm
even.
gonna wait, see how it react. See how it react in this gap.
That shit
I
have
break
took
even
So
though.
profit.
did. I think everything pushed up like that. Strong.
It tapped the 50. Isn't it tapped the 50? Nah, I didn't tap the 50.
Half
On
it.
30, it didn't. It almost did. How? Let me go on
30.
NQ. Let me go on NQ.
Still in that 5 minute.
I'm just happy. I'm at break even. Ain't no
You was
cap.
getting
I
cooked.
don't
You
care
was
what
getting
happens.
cooked. I saw you getting cooked on
Yeah,
that shit.
I seen like maybe like
Tapped
3
in.
minutes. Like, damn, I'm break even, bro. I don't care if I lose this bitch.
I'm cool. I'm break even. Even though I am in drawdown,
Yeah.
but I don't really worry. That's one trade. And so that's why your ass
And
is
you gotta
quiet.
realize it is yeah, it is Asian session too, so like it's gonna have these big retracements and shit. It's gonna take its time going down, going up, whatever it's
So
going,
yeah,
whatever it's going.
you said my
It's
pending
crazy.
order on Bitcoin's at 74K. Let me see. Let me see. It's going Bitcoin.
Oh
And
damn,
that
shit.
bit pushing up.
Yeah.
Hopefully, don't
That
inverse
bit
this gap.
Let me
that
see.
bit pushing up. I'm not just get out right here. Get to my little $100.
Nah, stop loss of TP. You
My
just
shit at your
don't
shit
think
at
about the
break even, right?
PMO.
Your shit at break even, right? I
Yeah.
was up like 400 though.
But
That
that,
shit,
Crazy.
oh
damn.
yeah, it took me out. Yeah, that bit crazy. It took me out.
Nah, I'm still on my shit.
I ain't
The
scared.
way it pushed
I ain't
like that,
scared.
but that bit just
I
went
ain't scared.
crazy.
Keeping that shit, bro.
That bit went crazy. Why'd you do all that?
Shit
That's all I'm
easy.
saying.
That shit easy. Somebody just spoke, bro.
Like, damn.
On Google, look at that nigga Trump
Oh,
going.
had to be, bro.
Nah,
Had to just speak.
don't get emotional, nigga. It is what it is. You got
Yo,
on break
yo,
even?
Oh no,
yo,
I'm chilling. Yeah, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm
y'all
chilling.
been watching the new anime that came out?
When man, hella
How
anime.
to
Yeah,
how to be a hero
I ain't
X,
watching it.
Lazarus.
I
You ain't
watched that
watched
one. I watched My Hero
it?
X. I fuck with
Oh
that.
yeah.
Now what's that about, bro?
No more water, baby. You have enough water.
I don't know. It's hard. It's action though. It's hard to explain. Well, it's not really hard to
How to be
explain.
Hero X? I can look it up right now.
Yeah. How to be a hero X. You got Lazarus.
Oh, I just watched Lazarus today for the first time. That shit tough.
Oh yeah.
Nah. Y'all watched that
That
one
shit
shit,
fire.
bro, with the nigga
Yeah.
and his sister, man. Hold on, I'm
You
gonna
talking
go
about
to it.
demon?
The demon
The
shit,
knockoff
yeah.
demon slayer.
Yeah.
Knockoff demon.
That shit tough though. That shit tough though.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie.
That shit, yeah, bro. Let's see. It's called
Bro,
Sword
we
of
got
Demon.
bro.
That's what it's called.
Yeah. That shit tough.
Yeah, I think this shit about to pump though. The way that push up came was crazy. I ain't even gonna lie.
I mean, that's a big ass push up though.
I'm
So you
saying.
gotta retrace. That was a fast push up.
How that 15 look? I mean, did it on futures? We filled the opening gap, bro. Like to the downside of it. Like
15 minutes.
did we? Nah, we didn't fully fill it. On US 30.
Oh,
Like
30.
That
Yeah, I'm
bitch
on.
pumping.
Oh,
the US 30, we filled that shit. We didn't fill it. No, we didn't.
Flipped
We
it.
kind of filled it. We
And
didn't.
yeah,
Filled
basically
it.
filled
That's
that
why.
month.
Yeah, that's really why.
yeah.
That's really why that shit. It did what it had to do. That dump was it. I broke you.
Dang,
Man.
bro, but we got.
What? I don't know. Bro.
That shit don't mean nothing.
You supposed to have a likeness there.
Look. Don't put your beliefs on the
That
market.
could be it just set a
Cool.
higher low.
It's cool. Don't put your beliefs on the market, man. Let that shit tell you what I want to do. Just react, man. It's cool.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm coming back. I ain't trading no more.
I'm still on the bit. I break. That shit ain't tap my shit yet.
Yeah, you good. Your entry must have been spot on.
Look, nigga.
Look
Look at that. It wasn't even spot on. I wanted up here. It should have been better.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how I should got lower than that, bro. Shit, bullshit. But,
Yeah, mine could have been better too, but I was debating on whether.
You feel me? You feel me?
Damn.
You start looking at it like, hey, yo, this shit even worth it. Like, that's how it be. Right? You start looking at that shit like, it's a 5 minute. It's easier though. Oh shit. And then I should do one little move down. Fuck it. Yeah, after this though, I'm probably cool. Clear my room and shit. Chill. Nah, yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely some long term shit. Some long term stuff. Wanna go in your room, bro? Get out, bro. Hold up, bro.
Oh, yeah, solo, bro. Ain't gonna lie, that Lazarus one. It didn't catch my attention.
The first episode, you didn't like it?
No, boy. I should come to
Yeah, I
yours.
ain't like it, bro.
London.
Even
What
though
you mean,
he cool, he broke out of jail. That was cool, but
Like your bed, bro. Get out of here.
What you ain't? Damn. What you ain't fuck about? Like,
Okay.
what you ain't like
Don't be
about?
turn that down
it was
though.
cool,
You can see it, but turn it down,
but
bro.
I probably gotta rewatch it.
Bro, were you even paying attention?
I low key wasn't because
What's
why
happening? What's
you
happening?
feel me?
What's
It
happening?
didn't catch my attention.
What you talking about?
But ain't gonna cap. You see my hero X right? How at the end,
Yeah.
in that first episode,
Stop though.
old girl,
talking about the girl?
old girl
Yeah,
blood.
yeah.
That just caught me off guard. Like what?
Yeah. Okay, but
Now
bro,
that was hard. That
BSN, you hopped in
it kept my
anything?
attention. You feel me?
bro, Lazarus, bro, it's about the dude made a medicine for people to not die, right? For like for the rest of
Yeah,
their
I see
life.
that. Yeah.
And everybody started taking it. And now he came out 3 years later talking about they're gonna die in 30 days. If they don't find them, then everybody's gonna die that took it in 30 days.
Yeah.
So
So that's what they're trying to do,
wild.
basically.
Yeah, that's wild.
I ain't gonna lie, that
Crazy.
is wild.
That shit tough, bro.
It went
That
crazy.
shit tough, bro.
You watched it?
Yeah, first two episodes, yeah, bro. I watched that shit today.
Shit fire.
That shit tough, bro.
You watched My Hero X too? You watched My
Nah, I
Hero
don't
or
hear
To Be a
the fuck
Hero?
is that? The fuck is that? What are you talking about?
Watch that one.
What's it called?
That
Hero
one
X.
is better.
What is it called? Hero
Yes.
X?
My Hero X. My Hero X.
You talking about the vigilante shit?
No. To Be a Hero X. Vigilante, I watched that too.
To Be a
That shit
Hero
fire.
X.
But yeah, To Be a Hero X.
To be a hero?
X.
Oh, okay. I was about to
Three
say.
down.
I see it.
Not that one. Not that one.
Yeah.
Hold up.
Nah.
No, not that one either.
Yeah.
The third one. Yeah, that one.
That's not mine.
No,
That's Oh, I did watch this. With the nigga. Hold on, mama. I did watch this. Oh, I ain't watched episode 2, bro. Oh, I watched that shit today. My son was snapping. He talking about some, you know, your bitch. He knew everything about her. Niggas be fanned out. They be fanned out, bro. Ah, yeah, this shit,
But
that verse was
that
crazy.
shit gone.
That shit gonna stop you up.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
Damn.
Damn, look at that.
Damn.
That shit crazy.
Dang! Yo,
That's
that whip
wild.
was
I ain't gonna lie.
insane.
Oh, your mom want you. Yeah, go. But
For real.
nah,
Like, okay, now
I mean, we still got like a little bit resistance. I still think.
now I feel like the same thing gonna happen to gold. I feel like, bro.
in what
Like, same
way?
thing gonna happen to gold. I feel like they're gonna dump. But same thing gonna happen to gold. No, no, I'm just gonna chill.
Part chill.
Yo, you got
Oh
up?
god,
You got
niggas
up?
wanted to win that.
I
Niggas
got
was
stopped up.
wanting to win that shit.
You got stopped up?
Yeah, that
Damn, where's
shit
your
break even.
TV?
Break even.
I
My
mean,
stop. No, I broke
where's your?
even. I broke even.
Oh.
Yeah, I ain't want. Yeah, I would have wanted. I would have wanted to be in that trade after that push up, bro. It's kind of that. Like that's why I got better at like cutting my losses, man. Like you got to know when to play the game and when to
Break
shut
even.
out. Yeah.
And just break even. That break even and can like you feel me save your life in a lot. You feel me? You should not break even, but they need from a lot of L's.
Mm-hmm. A lot of L's you don't need to take after a certain amount of time, bro. I feel like
Yeah,
I had to get better at
exactly.
that because like times I was taking L's, I ain't even had to. Like after a certain amount of time.
Like what it did just now, bro. After all that, came back up. Oh yeah, you didn't
Yeah,
want to
I'm saying,
believe
yeah,
that
I'm
no
saying, yeah,
more, bro.
you would not want to be in sales if you like, you should not want to be in that. If like, unless you are like, say I was still in profit, yeah, I'd be cool. But once nah, bro, I probably should have
It's a
closed that
trade
shit a
game.
little bit
Okay.
early. But that too, like, how y'all
That's
feel
what I
about
was
that?
saying.
And that's what I was thinking.
That's what I
That's
was
what I was
saying.
thinking. That's
I
why I
should
wanted
have
to come
did
and
that.
bet $100.
hmm I guess that's
It
something I gotta
happened
get better
too
at
quick.
too, though. Like, I guess closing out when we see reversals like that. I still ain't get used to doing that shit yet. 'Cause sometimes you ever do that and then it go like your way from. I guess it depends on how it pushed up.
Yeah, yeah. It's gotta
It gotta make sense.
different every.
Let's say this.
Yeah,
This
it's gotta
time
make.
I should have probably cut off and took my profit because it filled that gap, the opening little entry. We seen it. We like, maybe it'll come back. Nah, that shit said fuck out of it.
Even on a 1 minute too. The 1 minute it clicked to a 1 minute gap too. It closed below it and it inverted. So yeah,
It is what it is, bro.
it was breaking through something.
Okay.
Still seeing the resistance.
But
They're
yeah,
gonna hit back.
the hero
They're
X. I
gonna
mean, this shit cool. Like,
Oh, this
and then my shit back too. One Piece back. Shit been
One Piece.
crazy.
I ain't
Oh,
watched One
rip.
Piece in
crazy.
crazy. I ain't watched One Piece in like years. I ain't watched like a year or two, probably longer. I just can't get in that shit no more.
That shit going crazy.
Oh, they be dragging.
I ain't gonna
I
cap. I
watched it.
skipped like the first couple hundred episodes. I ain't gonna cap.
That's crazy. Skip the first one. That's
I skipped and
crazy.
I skipped where Ace got killed. That's where I started. Like, when Ace got killed. That's where I started.
You went that far? Nah, bro. You missed like
Yeah.
the shark arc.
But at the same time, yeah. But at the same time, when I
I
watched
even
it, I
watched
went
that
back.
shit.
When I
Yeah.
was caught up, I went back. And I had a shorty I was fucking with that was at the beginning still.
Mm-hmm.
And when she would watch it, I was watching with her at the beginning. You feel me? Wherever she was at.
This shit called the Late Dog Demon King. Now you know this shit trash. 14 minutes. Not watching this. Nah, I ain't really even watching that much anime though.
You gotta lock
Another
in with
tough one that Gintu
Y'all watch Devil
OG.
May Cry? I was gonna see if I was gonna watch it, but
I watched some of it.
how's
I watched
ass?
like 5 minutes of it.
It looked tough. It looked crazy.
I don't know. It's not serious. That's why I ain't watching.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
like
okay.
it was serious at first. Like the bunny dude was fuck like it's all gory and shit. But then it got unserious. Like nah, I feel like watching this.
That shit came back to my entry.
And then another one that came back. Windbreaker came back.
I never watched it. It looked tough though. I watched like a video on YouTube about that shit. I just haven't watched it.
The Windbreaker. I think I dropped that too. I ain't gonna lie.
Want fucking with it? A lot of
Some
shit be weak, bro. After a little minute, bro.
I came with I think it's called Yabba Samurai
Fuck
Legend.
all that, man. How y'all felt about the way solo leveling ended, man?
Oh yeah.
That shit was different. Like
When you finish, that shit was tough.
when he
I ain't
fought that
gonna-
nigga Buru,
that
he was
shit.
whooping
Next,
that nigga ass.
but I fight
Shit was
after
nice. It was
every,
nice.
bro. It just gonna get better and better, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Next season's gonna be even better.
Yeah.
I've been watching
Because, bro,
the Ongoing, bro. That shit gonna get better next season.
it
This
was it was
this is
them
not
them
even
elf
peak yet.
niggas. Yeah, it's not.
It's not
I
even
don't think
peak
so.
yet, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit was so good. I started reading some of the manga. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even do that.
I ain't gonna cap, bro. That shit. On God, bro. I say, you know, this shit tough, bro. I don't never read, not read, but I went on YouTube
YouTube for that
and
shit,
I
right, bro,
watched it.
nigga? Yeah, he just like
Yeah.
I do the same
And
shit.
I be fucking with that. The AI be entertaining and shit. But I be like, oh, that shit make it like that shit be tough. You know?
Shit is tough, bro. What else I was watching, bro, recently? Yeah, I watched Blue Exorcist, bro. That shit
Yeah,
was tough, man. I don't know. Yo,
yeah,
wait.
I
Hey,
watched that bitch.
hey Solo, you watched hold on, wait, JR, you watched this? The Sword of the Demon Hunter?
Yeah.
Hold on,
I
I
watched the first
can't.
episode.
You watched second episode was a little weak. He didn't really do
I
shit.
ain't see that.
Nah, that shit
Well,
tough.
yeah, I did. Yeah, I was gonna say that.
You
That's
did?
tough. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
this
episode
shit
like
tough.
30 minutes long,
Yeah,
right?
yo, that shit
Yeah,
was an
it's
hour, 50 minutes. That
yeah.
shit was tough as ass, bro.
Hour. Yeah,
This
it's an
shit,
hour
this
long.
shit tough,
Yeah, it's
bro.
an hour long.
Fake Demon Slayer.
It was an
Yeah,
hour
definitely,
long.
definitely a fake Demon Slayer. I fuck with it though. That shit was dope. I fuck with it. I
Low
ain't gonna
key,
lie.
I ain't even keep it like that. Yeah, it is like a fake Demon Slayer,
No
but
cap.
it ain't gonna caught me off guard when the old girl got died. I'm like,
I ain't gonna
damn.
lie, word. I ain't gonna lie, nah. It threw me off, bro. When
Yeah.
when he said he gonna let bro smash her, bro. I was about to. I'm like, this nigga gay. Like he had some cuck shit. Like you bugging. Like he know
Oh
he
yeah,
wanted her. It's just like I'm gonna do this for the village.
take
Man,
your girl. Like,
fuck the
No, no,
village.
he didn't. He didn't know that. I don't think he knew that they was on a, you know,
Like yes, she
like.
did. She said
No,
she
no,
was gonna get him
no,
pregnant,
he. Wait, that's what she
bro.
said to him.
Yeah, bro. She said I'm gonna have his baby, bro. We about to go to it.
Damn. Wait.
Yo, she said I'm gonna
oh,
go
go
to it.
crazy.
It was like. She was like I got. It was for like the
Go
purpose of
crazy.
like the. It was for like some shit like that. I don't know.
I ain't watched episode 2 though.
Yeah, me neither.
Dang, it's
It was the
tough.
purpose. They because of the purpose of what they grew up. Like they said, I grew up to be this. I don't want to change it.
Mhm.
Type shit. Like I
Yeah.
trained for this. I don't
Yes,
want to mess it
yeah.
up for the village or
That for the
whatever.
purpose, y'all. At least you bugging. Nigga not cracking my shorty. If I like her,
Yeah.
you bugging. I'm not going. Fuck the village, nigga.
He out of there.
Hey, out of
I'm
here.
leaving the village,
Hey, fuck the
nigga.
village, nigga. I'm not staying for
And then
no.
ain't no cap. Oh, the little girl, that caught me off guard too.
Was it a demon?
Wait, what
I knew
happened?
she
The
was a
little
demon,
girl,
nigga.
yeah, the little girl.
I knew she was a
Yeah, she
demon.
was a demon, but I ain't think she was gonna kill her though. You feel me?
She violated though. Like he had pulled up.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah, he had
yeah,
pulled up.
he's
He holding her. Shorty head was on his shoulder. I think some shit like that.
yeah,
She started poking. You see my screen? He started poking his bitch. Hold on, let me show y'all, bro.
yeah, like kept going laughing.
Oh
And
yeah.
you know,
Yeah,
So she was all happy
kept
too.
going laughing. And then Five Force came
And
back in
then,
season
bro,
3.
no, this was
I
crazy right
finally
here.
watched season 1, but season 1 was tough.
like bro, look,
That shit was
bro,
crazy.
look how she did him.
Or
Her body
That's what I'm saying.
twitching.
freaking bad.
Yo, I'm
And
like,
she all happy too. She all happy as
mm,
shell. I
I'm
would have
like,
been heated too. I ain't gonna lie.
They gonna
word.
say, I did it for you. That bitch cheated on you.
Mm-hmm.
She went crazy.
I hope you're not hurt. Look, bro, look. And then she holding her head like, yo, she wild. Yo, she was wild. She was wild. Yo, that's crazy. Now this episode
Bro,
had
all
me.
that shit went out his head, bro. All that
Mm-hmm.
shit. He's like,
And yo, Cap, that's what had. I was saying, no, Cap, I
oh,
was saying that's what had get though. Shit,
did she
just
keep? Oh
fucking.
yeah,
You feel
she
me?
went OD on that. She went OD.
Yeah, bro. She was wild, bro. She sit here poking her up, bro. Yo, I'm saying I fuck with this shit. I don't know. I want to. I don't know. It is like a fake demon slayer. I don't know. Second episode, yeah, it was cool. It was cool.
I
Y'all
ain't
ain't
never
missed out on
seen
nothing.
that.
Ain't missed
Yeah.
out on nothing though. Y'all watch it. It's cool. It's cool though. Second episode cool. Ain't nothing crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Other than that, y'all ain't even gonna watch this shit. Definitely watch Lazarus though, Jared. That shit tough. That shit tough. That shit tough. That shit tough.
I watched episode 1. It was
I what?
I'm got to rewatch.
Was this shit good though? Solo, My Hero Academia, the Vigilante shit.
Oh yeah, I fuck with it.
Fuck with it.
My Hero Academia.
Vigilantes.
Yeah.
I ain't see that shit.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, y'all fuck with Fire Force?
Oh, I forgot. Nah, you wildin', you wildin', Solo. Go watch that. You
I
bugging.
dropped it.
You're bugging. New season just dropped, nigga. Shit
It
got
got boring, bro.
Yeah,
What?
It got boring.
First season got
I
boring.
had to go rewatch season 1, bro.
What?
I keep watching it, bro.
First season
It did get
boring.
boring.
Y'all
But
niggas
the end
wildin'.
was crazy.
Y'all
The
niggas
end
wildin'.
went crazy.
That shit never got boring,
Season 1
bro.
went crazy.
Bro, I'm about to show y'all one of the
Nah,
best
nah,
episodes. The best episode of season 1. Hold up. With this
It was
shit.
something about the.
That's one of the last when he was fighting Cho.
That's true too.
like-
episode when he
Hold up.
fought Cho.
It had like awkward
Fighting his little brother, bro. That shit was
like-
tough.
That shit was tough too.
transitions. Like, it had like awkward transitions. I don't know. Like it was like I don't know. I just didn't miss. I just didn't fuck with it.
That scientist crazy. I knew it.
And then it slick got confusing. I didn't know what the fuck was going on for a minute. So I was just like, fuck that shit.
Like this one? I think I went too fast, bro. Bro, I'm trying to find when he's fighting. When he's
beginning, first episode.
I'm trying to see when he's
Like
fighting
the best
that
fight
one
he
nigga.
Cho.
Yeah, that fight type too. Nah, I'm trying to see when he say that shorty, bro. Bro, from the one nigga that was undercover. Bro, hold up. You gonna see what I'm talking about, bro.
Oh, you talking about when the nigga was
Yeah, he's
bugging people and shit.
Yeah, he's feeding the kids.
Yeah.
Bro. Nigga was feeding kids insects. Bro.
I think that like episode like 10 or some shit.
That was that far?
Yeah,
I thought that shit was
bro.
close. I ain't gonna hold you. That's wild. Oh, it's right here. Around here, bro. It's somewhere around here. I think right here.
I don't think I made it this far.
You ain't make it this far?
Yeah, I don't know.
Bro, you showing the wrong shit. This shit ain't nowhere near as tough as when he's fighting. So
I know,
no
but
way.
this one scene was tough, bro. Hold up. Sit right here. Hold up. Niggas wild. This one scene had my heart, cuz. He came through on some tough shit.
Yeah, it's cool. Came through that bit, fire blazing.
I think about an episode on that shit. No anime get, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the next episode.
See, I knew it.
He did her bad. He did her bad.
Oh, I might give it up to try. Start over again.
It's like right here. He's beating that bitch up. That shit look hard, son. Nah, that shit look way better before, bro. That shit look weak right there. Nah, yo. When he was fighting, now you know who my favorite character, Jar? The nigga that be real in the road, bro, with the one eye. But Nisha, I don't know that nigga name, bro. You know what I'm talking about? But this nigga, hold up, this nigga right here.
What's his power?
This right here, this nigga. Hold up. This nigga, Jar. This nigga be whipping ass.
Oh yeah. He the one who trained him.
Yeah. He be
training
whipping
nigga.
ass, bro. Yeah, so you gotta watch
Yeah,
this
he
shit,
tough.
Solo. I ain't gotta watch this shit. You gotta watch this shit.
Yeah, he tough. He is.
Nah, Jar. This fight was tough too, bro.
He one of them nonchalant tough. Like he nonchalant with it.
Mm-hmm.
On some Jin Woo shit. He
On some
just
Jin,
nonchalant.
Okay. Like he really genuine shit. Like he up there with Jin Woo.
You said what, Solo?
I said he really up there with Jin Woo.
Yeah, bro. Look at the animation. Look how you be. Look at that. Damn. This shit hard, bro. Nah, Solo, you gotta watch this shit. Shit gonna change your life, cuz. Shit gonna change your life, bro. Watch that shit. Yeah, I should have tried. I don't know,
I'll
bro.
try it again.
On that, yo, was Windbreaker tough? I know you said you watched it.
I fuck with it. I fuck with Windbreaker.
I don't know, man. What else? Devil May Cry. I don't know, bro. I be tired of the harem enemies, bro. I don't watch none of them shits, bro.
I don't
And
watch.
I just be the old ones coming back. Like college number 8, you got
I know that's gonna drop
Dan the
soon.
Dan.
The
One Punch
underdog.
Yeah,
Man,
that's just
The underdog.
Demon
down,
Slayer.
down.
I might fuck around. And go. I might rewatch that shit there. Fire season, the first couple singles. What's
What?
this? The Fire Force shit
Oh
again.
yeah.
Just cause no
Yeah.
longer allowed another
I'm
one.
down.
What's
One
this,
season.
bro? See, typical slice. I ain't trying to watch that shit.
Yeah, I watched that. That's one corny.
Oh, this should be corny, bro.
Waste my time. Waste my
I be
time.
trying to watch.
It's so many animes, but like it's hard to come out with
It
good
is now.
animes.
It
You
really
gotta
is.
be
Yeah.
really.
Cause like they
Gotta
dropped
be,
all the tough shit, bro.
yeah.
You can't even like you can't even you
Like,
can't do nothing no more, bro. It's 2024. Back in the day, these shits was cool. Now, nah, bro.
where's it me?
Shit, like what you say?
He like
That shit cooked now, nigga.
Hold on.
Yo, so you watch Blue Lock? Yo, so you watch Blue Lock? They can't hear me? Huh? Go about to just keep pumping. Dang, I got 6 views. What's up, 6 views? But yeah, chat. I did have that sell on YM, but it ended up, yeah, feel me? Ended up doing his own thing. Should have took my profit though, but it's cool. You love the way I do when I'm loving your body.
There you
Probably gonna keep dumping, keep pumping.
go.
YM. Wait, about to pop up now?
Yeah, I ain't know why.
Yo,
No,
NQ pumping.
You in that shit?
yeah, it ain't going, bro. It ain't going.
Oh yeah,
You in that motherfucker?
yeah.
Where's the entry at?
I hopped
You
in.
love
I
it?
hopped in
You
for
ain't
my
serious.
entry ain't the best for real. It's
I don't want to hop in no bars right now.
19, 1918.
Yeah.
You pretty hot for gold. You're rejecting. It's a 1 minute gap right
Ain't
here.
no cat. We rejecting the previous day high
On what? Gold?
on gold. Yeah.
It just made a 1 minute gap. It going to that
Just
motherfucker. I'm selling that shit. Oh God. Fuck out of here. We too hard, bro. Ain't no way we pushing up no more, right, bitch? What you was what Euro was do? What Euro doing? Euro USD dump
and
with
the
it.
fact that
Oh
the
yeah,
fact that
Euro dumping. Euro about to dump too. Yeah, yeah.
Those
It's
like
on.
this from the dumb too.
the dollar
It's a
doing,
1 minute gap.
and that dollar was gonna go up too.
1
Dollar
minute
was
gap.
gonna
Fuck. Come back. Come back to this 1 minute gap I got, bitch.
Ah, let it
If
restructure
NQ
first. Let
come
it
down to this gap, I'm gonna probably add. Cause my entry
restructure right
is
now.
pretty clean.
Making structure right now. I want to come back down so I can get a better buy, man.
On gold. Yeah, I ain't
But
gonna lie.
I'm still on the way there.
Damn, that shit just dumb, dude.
Yeah,
I do want to come
yeah,
back
it
to this
did.
5 minute gap to the bars, but the sales, man, that shit ain't even my entry. Go back up, bitch.
Nah, the sales is this
I ain't
shit
gonna
going
cap,
up
what?
fire.
Damn.
Damn, that shit
No, you
dumb.
talking about
We
gold.
talking about gold. We talking about gold.
You ain't talking about,
Not NQ. We know indices. We
you
know indices going. Them shit super going. That shit say fuck niggas.
Oh yeah, go.
at the same time though, we got mad. We got a 15-minute gap
We
down
got hella
there.
gaps to the downside for gold for bars, bro. I ain't even going cap, bro. Like,
Yeah.
cause I'm saying, like, it going down is a good thing too. Nah, not right now, but for bars, like down there, we got 15-minute gap and some 5 minute along with it too. The sales, I wanted the sales. Don't get me wrong, I wanted the sales up there, but it just left. It ain't even let me enter.
Now, I don't know. Because now, if I would enter in a 1 minute gap, I would have been break even now. So you feel me? Now I could be
Be set.
worry free.
I mean, it could keep going up
Worry
to it. It ain't
free.
even go up to it yet.
Yeah, it ain't.
But I don't know if it did. We go on spot. I'll look on spot. On a 1 minute look on spot.
Oh, it look the same thing. That little 1
Yeah,
minute gap.
I wanted the first one. I don't want the second one, bro.
Oh yeah, the first one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The first one.
I
Yeah.
done heard him. Yeah,
The second one already filled.
how y'all feel about entering price after the gap is made? I be thinking about that sometimes. Like you see how we watch
What you
Gold
mean?
make
After
the
the
gap,
gap is made,
like boom, like
Mm-hmm.
just right now, like go we watched that 1 minute gap be made, and I said I'm gonna go if it come back into it. What if you just sell right there? Like it make the gap and you
That's what
just
I was
sell at it.
thinking.
Like what y'all think? I be thinking about that sometimes. I be like, damn,
Yeah, everything.
like am I missing this? 'Cause I'm waiting for it to come back into this. But what if this could be my entry sometimes? You feel me?
At the
I feel
same
like
time,
I'll
yeah,
do
you
that.
gotta
I'll do
yeah.
that once the gap is made and it being invalidating, like it being an inverse fair value gap. But if it's just a gap being made, it's like where do you put your risk? Where you put
At
your
the high,
stop
look,
loss
I
at?
look at my screen. Like, am I sharing my screen? Y'all can see my chart.
Yeah.
At the same time, it
I look.
cleared liquidity, so you could really
Yeah,
just
but
pitch it up there.
no, but like
Clear
boom.
that
So
out.
like 1, 2, 3, and I'm like, all right, fuck it. If it come back into it, it'd be a better entry. But like stops at this recent high and the my it'd be just literally just like this. Like I'm like fucking
You know what you do? Do engulfing candles. No, engulfing candles are right.
yeah.
Engulfing. You can what for engulfing? Once it clear a high or low, it engulf.
Mm,
It should create an engulfing candle.
what you think, chap? I be thinking
It's
about it
right
sometimes because
there.
I feel like sometimes I miss and not to cut you off, sometimes I miss entries because I'm like, damn, bro, what if it don't come back to this shit? Like not even like trying to feel FOMO or nothing. Like I don't know. Like but I be
Oh yeah, no, that's
Sometimes
clean. I like that
it's just
setup.
that
You put it
strong
at
and
the
don't come
high,
back to
put
it.
the
It's
stop
just
at
mm-hmm.
the
that
high.
strong.
That's clean.
Yes, I'm saying. Like that's what I be thinking. Shit like that. Not even the dudes one. Cause that shit just took off.
But you
It
see
just
that example, that example, it also created an inverse fair value gap. It invalidated that
Yeah, I
bullish
see
gap.
it too.
this one right
Yeah,
here.
yeah, it did.
Look at
Yeah,
Yeah.
it
look
did.
at
Like on the
Reverse
1
it.
minute,
the
on the
Reverse
fair
one
it.
value
minute,
Yeah,
gaps on the
Yeah.
right. I
left.
see it.
see the fair value
5 minutes.
gap on the left.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, no,
I
the
did.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. What about it?
It showed it. Reverse that motherfucker. It
You
showed
see it
it.
What?
on the left. The fair value gaps on the left
This
on
one?
the 5 minute. Yeah,
I don't think you
it's
think this
two
is
of
gonna
them. It's two
hold.
of them.
Yeah, it's a
Two of them.
couple. It's a couple. I ain't gonna hold.
No, just
It's a
just the closest one. Just the closest
And
one.
okay,
Yeah.
to me, if it's just straight green candles, bro, I like to. That's more like a void to me. I think that's gonna get filled, go all the way back down, or have like
You
at
gotta look
least
at
like
the
a
1 hour too. The 1 hour got a
50%.
Nah, 1 hour
bias
got
gap.
shit.
One hour got close too.
But just
Yeah,
look at it.
and
Just look
one
at
hour
the.
look bearish too though. It's just that high got rejected.
Mm-hmm. And that's
That's what the 1 hour telling me
I
right
feel
now.
like it got to
It's
retrace
rejecting
though.
that
if you
high.
think about it. We're on an hour. We
5 minute gap can get
AJ
formed.
AJ
Hey,
AJ are you
that
talking
gap
about
get
AJ? Are you
formed.
talking about AJ? You said we respected it, nigga. We swept that shit. Previous day high. We swept that. We
That's what I'm
took them
saying.
shits.
Respected
Yeah,
it. It's
yeah,
same thing. Respected swept.
yeah. We took that bitch.
It ain't goddamn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
We in that
rejected that
5 minute gap though. You
motherfucker.
talking about slow? We in the first one.
Yeah.
And we finna make one too, a bearish one. So I might hop in right there. That's the
On what
confluence right
sale
there.
or buy?
Oh, he
One
talking about
hour
sales.
sweep.
I ain't mad at the
1 hour
sales.
sweep.
Cause the buys is
5 minute gap.
cool, but you ain't targeting nothing no more. That's one thing that's scary about all
Reverse.
time highs,
Yeah,
bro.
that's
At this point, you buy right
yeah.
here, you only gonna target the recent highs, the one we just made.
Nah,
Boom.
straight
Yeah, but it's
mechanicals.
not
One
that.
to three,
I
straight
mean,
One okay,
mechanicals.
yeah,
Straight
look at the
mechanicals.
5 minute.
straight risk to reward. 5 minute.
Look at the 5 minute. It just made another fair value gap. It got to retrace back up
Oh,
there.
it's
It
for the
just hit
sales?
this.
Oh yeah.
No, for the buy. Well, I'm
Yeah,
out right here.
that's what I
Actually,
want.
Man. Let me go your screen,
so
so let me see.
there.
Me too.
That's what I want. I want this 5 minute gap to get created, and I'm gonna
Like
hop in right
it
there.
still gotta come back up here, retrace,
Yeah, that's what
and
I
then
want.
I love that we did that. Too.
you see on that
Uh,
I love
hour
that.
and the 30
we is
minute.
rejecting this 5 minute bullets one though.
Yeah.
No cap. No
But it
cap.
depends how if it closed. If it closed green, okay. But if it closed red, I got more faith in it.
Mm-hmm.
But depending on how it closed, it got to close red for me.
I mean, it's like it's consolidating right now.
And then this will be a powerful fair value gap because it has golfing too. And then
How the
with
1 minute structure looking?
three three straight red candles too.
Cool.
It's an order block. What's the fair value gap? You know what I mean, so it's a combination of both of them. If it stays right,
On
it's looking like it's
Yeah,
gonna
my
stay
this
screen,
right.
where it's
early.
going.
It's looking like something. Oh, I like how it's gonna close like this. It closes like this, and it retraces something there.
I like how NQ reacting in this gap though. I'm gonna hold this trade. I'll probably hold this trade all night for real.
You
But I'm
break
not
even?
going to.
Oh,
Hey, break even.
Yeah, I'm
entry
break even.
your entry good? Decent entry? Oh yeah, nah, fuck that
Yeah,
bullish gap. Fuck that bullish gap.
19,018.
Getting cooked. I got
Yeah.
She got in that shit. I don't know why you tried to buy that so
yeah.
high.
I
We
should have.
just
I should have waited till it went back down to this other.
yeah, man.
I think I'm gonna buy
Got
again.
it. Now,
Nah,
if you
nah,
don't,
nah,
now
nah.
if you don't go
Nah,
back
I'm
to
gonna buy
this
again.
5 minute gap, I'm hurt.
Damn,
Fuck
I
it,
should
you
have
hurt,
added.
man.
I mean, I should have added. That shit pushing up.
Man, I'm on paper trading anyway, so it don't matter.
It's another 5 minute gap right here you tapped into.
Yeah, I'm just moving head to head. Keep respecting it.
So let's hope it just takes your retracement into that 5 minute. Maybe in a
I'm gonna get
15 minute
buy right
gap
now.
too.
That shit would have just if it would have just tapped back up to the sell one, I've been eating right now because I don't like 30 deep.
Yeah, ain't gonna lie. Like I said 30.
No, okay, I be capping. I ain't never gonna do that.
Okay. I think TP would have been hit if
Let
they
me
gave us
see.
that entry.
1 and 3. Cause stop
One
with
and
the
three.
stop about that, huh? Where ALB, I'm about to ask
Like
you
not
too.
19.
You was talking about risk to reward. So what's your risk to reward ratio? Like me and Gerald, I do 1 to 3s, bro. So if I'm risking 500, I'm trying to get 1500. Like what? Like, you ever determined that
Three is
yet?
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying to do 1 to 5.
Damn, nigga.
that's all.
Yeah,
I
one
think
to
how you trying to
five.
Look at
keep
my
it.
screen, nigga. This a 1 to 5, bro. It's not bad. It's doable. Don't get me wrong. I'm not mad
Damn.
at it, but
That's an
Yeah, I mean, if you
five.
got a good
Gotta
entry,
be a trending market.
it
Gotta be
gotta
a
be a
trending
trending
market.
you gotta
market.
have a
Yeah,
good entry. That's what
it
I'm saying.
gotta be a trending.
You gotta be patient.
It gotta be
Yeah.
trending. If it's not
Like,
trending, you're not getting
But
that.
but
Or
after
if
a
you be
one
or
to
the
doing
two,
it,
I'm
opposite.
not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. After 1 to 2, I start like I'll probably start trailing my stop. I'm not. It's not like I'm gonna have the same risk. You feel me? Like I'm gonna be in profit.
Yeah, move your stop. Yeah,
Oh, damn. I
move your
got you.
stop. Yeah.
Why I can't pay, bro? Why I can't have I ain't go to the gym today. I ain't tomorrow.
Wait down to get
I can't just make sure.
And the times that I trade, I aim for the opposite liquidity. So if it's buy side, I'm sweeping side.
Yeah,
Usually I
and
be
you trade
having
New York too, so that's doable every time.
yeah. But if you hold your trades, bro, it's not that bad.
No, but that's the power of like XFAs and live accounts, bro. It's the ability to hold, bro.
Right.
Ability to hold, bro. Let's see.
that.
You hopped in
Like
that
I
shit
said, if
solo?
you
My
yeah,
fault,
I'm
yes,
buy.
man. You about to say solo? That's all. We got CBS on my fault. I cut you off for shit.
no, what was I gonna say? Nah, like in the morning, like I said, if you just take that trade at that macro, usually you could hold that shit. It's gonna go that same direction for the rest of the day, especially the way the market's been moving recently. You feel me?
Yeah.
And when that shit just dump and just keep dumping all day, like it's like, bro, all you had to do was just sell in the morning and hold that shit all day.
It's because that nigga Trump keep announcing
Trump be
tariffs.
bullshitting too. Word.
Right. But I feel like the tariff shit now is starting to get like old news. You feel me? Like we've already
Close the
heard
door.
this shit.
Yeah,
It's like
nah,
that's
he gonna
already
keep
priced
Yeah,
putting
yeah,
into
yeah,
the
yeah,
putting
yeah.
market.
Y'all
promotions,
see me the
bro.
other day though? He had put a pause on that shit. The market moved up hella points,
Yeah,
bro. That shit was
yeah. He
Right.
said 90 days,
crazy. Yeah.
And
bro.
then he just said that's why the market
He
gapped up today because he said it exempts the electronics. So Apple and all they're not gonna get affected by the tariffs. You feel me? That's why this shit gapped
dude,
up
dude is
on the
inside
old.
trading, bro. He just took everybody's shit out for the
Yeah.
last couple years. Cause,
Bro, he
bro,
tweeted. He said this is a good buying opportunity. He said
yeah,
everybody should buy.
Like he know what he doing, bro. That's a real nigga,
he
bro.
inside trading. He inside. I mean, that's illegal though. Inside trading,
The
but I mean, you
president,
gotta
nigga.
play with him. You gotta play with him though.
Yeah, he look, he giving niggas opportunities. You can't even hate the
Oh
nigga.
man,
Yeah.
this shit dumb.
Can't even hate the nigga. What's dumping? Indices?
So
Oh, 1 minute talking about some this shit dumping.
still in gold buys. This
Yeah,
might actually
dumb.
be it.
You got a 1 minute gap on YM. I could have sold off of. I'm chilling right now, bro. I want to go. Oh shit! 1 minute plus that's a 5 minute lineman, 2 lion, bro. Oh shit!
That's all.